It says connecting. It says stop streaming, so maybe it's streaming now. However, I'm not really sure. Does it look like it's streaming?
I don't see anything.
Dang. Let me, I'm gonna have to look on YouTube.
It may take a couple minutes to propagate. I have no idea how this thing works.
Neither do I. Oh, it looks like it's going. I see that it's live.
Eastern Times, right?
Yep. And as expected, there are no viewers on the...
Is it public?
Oh, there's actually one person liking it. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, I think it's public. Oh well. And also I can see this weird latency. Oh, that is quite strange. Looking at... Oh, I wasn't looking at live. No, I'm looking at live. Okay. I hope everyone can even hear me. I don't know. Can anyone hear me? Oh, look. Yeah, there's people in the comments. Hey, how are you guys doing? Yeah, I'm doing well. How are you? I'm in a new house now. I bought a house. So I'm gonna set up a lab down here. Yeah. I'm kinda bored. And I'm here with Mason. He's actually across the room from way back a long time ago. Yeah. Oh, the audio is good. Dang it. Oh, audio is crisp. Okay, cool. Cool.
How is the Mason audio? I'm guessing not great.
Can you guys hear Mason very well? Maybe I should turn off this annoying music. There we go. Cool. So, we are just gonna kind of chill, and I want a productivity app. Like one that essentially going down starting from 7 a.m. all the way to 1 a.m. you can just input whatever you want. I don't know, because I've been looking at a lot of task making apps, and you have to input like 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. doing this thing. But I just want to roll through it since I want to schedule out my whole day, because that's what I've been doing recently. So we're gonna try making an app, and we're gonna use React Native, specifically Expo, because Expo's pretty nice. Yeah. So if any of you guys have fun conversation topic, then just go ahead and let me know in the comments. We can just talk about it and hang out, because it's pretty late where I am. It's only 10. It's not that late. Oh well. All right. Let's begin with Expo init, which we'll name it. Hey, what's a good name for a productivity app? If you guys can put something in the comments, that'd be great. No, I don't know Flutter. Do you know Flutter, Mason?
A name for productivity app?
No. Flutter is the Google framework. It's like the Google equivalent. Like React Native is done by Facebook, and Flutter is done by Google.
Wait, why are you talking about Flutter?
Because someone was talking about it.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know Flutter.
Let's see. No one's given a good name. Do you have a good name, Mason? Productivity app. It's not going to be named My App, that's for sure.
Nate's productivity app?
That's kind of boring. Let's name it Seize the Means of oh gosh. All right, how about we'll call it Producap. Oh, that's kind of fun. Okay, we'll call it Producap. Sure, why not? Yeah. All right, so now we can choose the kind of workflow we have. And by the way, Expo is really nice. If you're doing managed, this is a managed Expo workflow. It's really nice to develop apps in. It can't do things like in-app purchases or push notifications. I think, no, it can do push notifications. It can't do a handful of things, but you can always eject from the Expo project to have it be just a regular React Native thing. Let's see. So let's just do blank here. And now it'll start making us an Expo project, and we can go from there.
Hey, it won't let me send a $1 super chat. It has to be at least $2.
Why would you even? That'd just be boring. The kind of app we're creating is I should probably let's plan out the app, because that's normally what you're supposed to do anyways. So effectively, I've seen a lot of productivity. This is not supposed to be anything especially good. It's just something that I want, because this is how I plan out my day. But I've seen a lot of scheduling apps that basically you just have to click, and then you have to put a name for the time, a name for the event, and then say that goes from like 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. or something like that. But I just want to be able to have it start, give it a start time, and then start listing events saying how long each event is, not the specific time, so that it's just a little bit faster for me to input. And that's about it. The language is going to be React Native, but we're going to build it with Expo framework. So let's plan out generally what the app is going to have. These are going to be the screens. Is this text? Screens. That is terrible. Perfect. Now it's beautiful. We're going to make it bold.
Somebody wants to know what your major is.
My major? I'm not even in school anymore, so my major is unemployed. My major is physics and math. That's what I majored in. Yeah. All right, so these are going to be screens. And by the way, I'll tell you guys what I've been up to recently, because it hasn't been anything particularly interesting. I got a job. I bought a house, and here it is. We're in the basement of that house. I made a company that launched a couple days ago that I've been trying to get companies to join, called Coupon Chase. However, Coupon Chase is really only something that has to be spread locally, because you have to get companies, then you can get users. Where it's like a geolocation based coupon app. I can show you guys what it looks like, because it's kind of boring, but kind of fun. Let me. Actually, I probably shouldn't show the source code for it. That has keys and stuff. You can look it up on the Android or App Store, called Coupon Chase. However, there's not going to be anything there if you're not in Provo, Utah. So, sorry about that. And even if you're in Provo, Utah, there's only 2 things on it right now, because it just barely launched. Anyways, we are going to want a screen right here. This one is going to be the main screen. It's going to say, like, my day. Actually, that's the only screen it needs. What other screen? Do you have any ideas? What other screen would a productivity app even need?
I mean, you may want to set up like days in the future. Like for your first batch, I think is good.
I think, yeah, we're just gonna do one screen because I don't know. Whenever I plan out my day, it's always at the end of the day, because then I know exactly what I'm going to do the next day, and I try to plan it from I don't know, every single minute of every single day, to make sure everything is accounted for, so you get into like a super productivity mindset. It makes it really fun. It makes it really fun, because it's just task from 7 a.m. to 1 a.m. Yeah, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. But it's, obviously, and you schedule yourself buffer times or such, whatever you need, like for eating and everything, and it's really nice. So let's just jump right into making it. I don't know. We have initted a project. So now inside of here, Project app, you can see we have an Expo shared, we have an assets, we have an app.js. App.js is the main screen that is shown on the app. This is the first thing that is run. It doesn't necessarily have to be a screen. It's just shown directly when the app is opened. This is the script that is run. So if you're familiar with like C++ or Java, this is effectively your main.cpp or main. I don't know, is it .java? It's .java for Java.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the file extension, or .java or something like that. Yeah, let's go ahead and see what this looks like so far. It should just be nothing except for a blank screen that just says open up app.js to start working on your app. Let's go ahead and open up the terminal, which already exists somewhere, I guess. What the heck? All right, we'll open up the terminal over here. Let me get rid of that stuff. cd dot dot, cd dot dot, cd dot dot, cd desktop. Whoops, what is going on? I'm using a keyboard that I'm not used to, so that might not be good. Untitled folder, ls, cd, project app. Now let's do expo start, and that will initialize the expo server. And we'll start running it. As you can see here, we can open up an iOS simulator since this is a Mac. If you don't have a Mac, then you can run it just on your phone by scanning this, or through an Android simulator, of course. Similarly, you can scan an Android phone, and it'll run it just fine. So it's attempting to open up a simulator. And let's see. William Tolley says, do you ever actually, and whoops, it just barely went away from that because the whatever it's called popped up and blocked it. Let me see. To follow times you set yourself for each task. I always plan on everything, but then things begin to take too long. Yeah, okay. So for that kind of thing, I generally try to put every 2 hours, like a 15-minute buffer, since tasks do end up taking longer, and I found with that 15-minute buffer that I'm normally able to catch myself back up. Yeah, that's about it. And no, we are not an app development channel, Tesla93. Yeah, I'm just tired, and this is what I'm doing right now, I guess. Yeah.
Chris Jane wants to know, are we going to get uploads soon? You've been a 3-year sub, and it's been a long time no see.
Yeah, it has been a while since uploads. That's a little embarrassing. Yeah, I think so. I have a basement now that I'm setting up a lab. I don't know, what do you guys want to see in the next video? I know I started on a project, gosh, it was like months ago now. I filmed the entire thing, I just never edited it, and then I think I lost the SD card. So that kind of sucks. But I don't know, give suggestions for what you want to see. Oh yeah, I'm not a professional app developer actually. I work full stack doing like Vue.js and Django and stuff like that. But then I guess I do app development for the company that I've made, and for the next company I'll make that you guys will see in the future that Mason is gonna code with me. So that'll be pretty fun. Anyways, I need to grab that simulator before I get too sidetracked. Here we go. You can see iPhone 11 simulator, and it says that text. So we are going to want to start off by, I always like to make a folder here called app that will just contain everything that has to do with our project. Let's go ahead and make another folder that I will call screens. Let's go into app and screens, and let's make a new file, and that file is going to be called, I don't know, we really only have one screen as we were showing before. So let's call it day screen. I don't know. That should be upper camel case for convention. Dayscreen.js. Here we are in dayscreen.js. Let me grab my regular template stuff, which actually, because I always forget the exact template when I'm doing things. We'll just take this, copy. So what we're going to want to do here is, this will be where our day screen is. This is what gets rendered. Up here you can have code and such. This is where arguments get passed into it, and we're actually going to call this day screen, and this is what's being exported, and that's the code. So now if we go over to this app.js, we can import day screen from opening it up and going to app/screens/day screen. There we are. Now, instead in here, we can have the view, which has the styles container. That's totally fine. And we will just have this be day screen. And then now, as you can see when we save it, which I actually don't have a keyboard shortcut to save on this keyboard. Let's go ahead and save it. Whoops, what have we done here?
Nate, what are your thoughts on FPGAs and Arduinos? Which one's better?
What? I don't know, they're kind of different functions. Like, the Arduino is not nearly as fast as an FPGA can be. Yeah, they're just good for different functions, I suppose. I used an FPGA for coincidence counting way back in a Bell's theorem experiment. Yeah. That's kind of it. Yeah, of course FPGA is also much more expensive than Arduino. So it's kind of a silly comparison in that sense. But yeah, I'm sure you could do everything you wanted on an Arduino on an FPGA if you just coded it up that way. But you could not the other way around because the Arduino is not fast enough. Okay, what have I done now? I've already forgot to export. I thought I exported.
You don't think you could run a simulation of an FPGA board on an Arduino?
Like, I don't know. I guess you could, but Arduinos don't have very much memory,
Yeah.
and they also like it'd be very slow.
Oh, I'm sure it'd be slow. But what if
Slow,
you-
relatively speaking, anyways.
What if you coded the simulation of an FPGA on the Arduino, but then coded up an Arduino inside that simulation?
Then that would be then you'd have an Arduino again.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty good. That'd be pretty good. It's like a Turing machine, I guess. I don't know. Except for not a Turing machine because it does not have infinite storage. All right. Let me really quickly look at this. So I think I'm actually going to change day screen to not be export default. It's going to be, I don't know. It's going to be this. And then down here, I'm going to put the export default down here. I don't think that makes any difference. At least I didn't think so. But it seems upset at me. So we're already running into some problems. It's been a while since I've started up. There we go. Okay, that fixed it. That did fix it. We're all good. We're all good. Let me go back over to the chat so we can see what's going on. Hello, Nathan Fay. Yeah, that's okay. I would go to bed too. I should go to bed, but we're not doing that yet because we don't have a productivity app. That's all I can say.
Mark wants you to talk about efficiency.
Talk about efficiency? Efficiency of what? I think that's just like an expression, like talk about efficiency. But I don't know what would be efficient. I've kind of just been fumbling around. This app's gonna take forever because I'm just not paying attention. All right.
Like Nate doesn't know much about efficiency.
I do not know much about efficiency. I'm quite inefficient myself. So we are going. Here's the default screen. We're gonna want to tell what time it is, I guess, because that's relatively important. So there's a library for that. I can't remember what library it is. Let me think, and let me look it up actually really quickly, because that's what we do. Are you just moderating the chat or something, Mason?
Well, I'm just reading the chat.
Fair enough. Let me know if anything interesting pops up.
They also want you to talk about structure.
Structure. Structure of the app? Like, there's only one screen.
It was a 3-word comment, Nate. I don't know anything.
Talk about structure. Okay, we can talk about structure of the app as much as we want. Here's my online paint. It
Can
is
you
gonna
talk
have
about form? Can you talk about content?
what?
Nothing.
I don't know.
Movie
What's...
quote.
Oh, okay. 1 second. Command F. Whoa, I've done something wrong. I guess that's just full screen now. All right, don't know how to undo that. What's my GitHub username? It's just Keystone Science. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I'm looking for time and date library. Not one that gives me the milliseconds since like 1972 or something like that. I don't remember what year it is, but one that's like actually the time. So I think I can get that with this chunk of code here that I wrote a while ago. So we're just gonna plop that in here. Let's make a function. This is gonna be function. Let's go ahead and call it get time. This is gonna be get current time. Get current time. All right, let's paste in this and then arbitrarily take out what we need. Okay, so we have time of day, hour equals that, and that's really all we need. Let's go ahead and take hour. This is something fun to do. So we
Wait,
can.
can you talk about streamlining?
I don't know what you're talking about, Mason. Like streamlining? Oh, streamlining the app or something?
I don't know.
I'm just making a really shoddy app.
Okay, can you talk about global warming?
Talk about global warming? I don't know.
Not warming, worming.
Worming. I don't know what global warming is. Worming? Like a worm that digs through the dirt?
I think it's just a typo. What do you have to say about global warming, though? Is it real?
I don't know. Like someone's putting chemicals in the water and it's turning the freaking frogs, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those frogs. They're getting turned.
Use state. All right. So not user state. This thing right here, effectively upon change, it re-renders the entire screen. So if we do const time, whoops, that's not how it goes. I think it's const and then array notation. We do time of day and set time of day equals use state, and we'll default it to be
People want to know, is this app going to get published?
yeah, sure, we can publish this app. Like, I have an Apple account and an Android account. We'll throw it up on there.
Wait.
Yeah. Let's default it to 00000 because that's a time, I think. Yeah. Yes, it is. This is only giving me the hour. That's probably unacceptable. We also need the minutes and everything.
Ooh,
So
can you integrate blockchain into your app for increased security?
so this app is not going to have any backend because, to be honest, I'm a little bit too scared to show anything backend on a live stream because then all my API keys will be out. That'd be unideal.
That would be less than ideal.
Yeah, that's how you rack up the big bucks being charged to you. Someone just gets a hold of your API key, and then you're screwed, I guess. All right. Now, let's try doing. Oh, that says set time of dat. That's what I get for using a new keyboard. So now, if we type in,
Oh, the people want to see you dab.
I'm not doing that again. That was a while ago.
Whip,
Those days are over.
day.
No. Let's see here. Going back to chat. What are the long-term effects of your app? To be honest here, I'm not really sure what that means. Like, hopefully increased productivity. But is it really increased productivity if I'm trying to eliminate me writing on paper so I can do it a little faster, but I spend 6 hours doing it? That'll probably take months to recuperate. So I don't know. That's a good question. That's all I have to say. Okay, we're gonna set time of day to be the hour.
Do you have anything to say about Memoirs of a Geisha?
I don't know what that is. Do you want to do a lookup on that? What's
Alright.
Memoirs of a Great? Mason's gonna do lookups for all the things you guys say that I have no idea what you guys are talking about. What's the app competitive advantage compared to other good notes? I don't know. Like, I'm not looking for this to make any money or do anything particularly. I just like the style of taking notes. So,
Alright. Memoirs of a Geisha is a 2005 American epic drama film based on the 1997 novel of the same name by Arthur Golden. Produced by Steven Spielberg and other people, the film was released. What is it about? It's about a Japanese girl who was sold into a prostitute house
okay.
in order to support them and become a prostitute. Isn't that what a geisha is?
What
Pretty
is
sure.
this?
Like a Japanese prostitute?
Oh, my thoughts on freaking lasagna? That's what you're asking? And you have...
Oh no, they're just actors. I don't
What?
know. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know anything.
I don't know what you're talking about, quite frankly.
Okay.
Why did it
I
take
don't
an
know
hour?
anything either.
Jeez, what am I... It's okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm typing things incorrectly all over
Do
the
you know
place.
anything about vaccines?
Do I know anything about vaccines? I don't know. Like, which vaccine?
The polio vaccine.
Polio vaccine? I know nothing about the polio vaccine.
The flu vaccine.
I know nothing about the flu vaccine.
The COVID-19 vaccine.
I don't really
On
know.
a totally unrelated topic, what do you know about 5G?
5G? Well, 5G obviously gives you COVID, apparently. That's an old meme, and that's what it does. Why isn't that working? I don't know. Where's our coming from? There it is. Why doesn't this work? I'm not really sure. Oh, I never even called get current time, but that's okay. We're also going to want to use a thing called use effect, which will mean that it'll only that we can specify when it runs the interior script. Let's go ahead and do that.
Have you seen The Last Samurai?
I have not seen that.
It's got Tom Cruise.
Oh. No, I've never seen it.
Okay, so you don't have any thoughts on it?
I have no thoughts on it.
Sorry, Sheest.
Yeah, sorry, Sheest. Oh, wait, what?
Wait, did you already...
Someone said const. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Did you already answer, what are the long-term effects of your app?
There's really no long-term effects.
Okay.
Probably
then what are the competitive advantage of it?
there are no
Good
competitive
notes.
there are no competitive advantages.
What is Good Notes? Is this a competitor app?
I don't know. This isn't really made to be a competition app. This is just a style. This is all I want.
Is An app or is it? Oh no, yeah, it's an app.
It's an app.
Take beautiful handwritten notes. Well, that's just a notes app. This is a scheduling app.
Yeah, this is a scheduling app. But it's not really supposed to be.
Did
I spell something correctly?
OmniFocus or reminders or calendar.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Like other productivity apps. Why wouldn't I just use the reminders app?
Because this. Actually, I don't know. I've never used the reminders app.
Me neither.
Like maybe that does exactly what I'm trying to do, but then I couldn't be making a live stream right now, and I couldn't be trying to procrastinate the other things I have to do. So then where would I be? So use effect allows you to. Oh yes, RuneScape Shanty. You want to listen to that? I've been listening to it for 3 hours so far today. So yeah, can you guys hear that? It's really great. It's really great. Yeah, I guess it could be used for Scrum. We can incorporate that. So, use effect is a functional call that basically says run this interior script, whatever's inside of here. If you don't know this notation, that is the exact same thing as doing function this then that. It's just fancier way to do it. So it makes you, I don't know, makes you cool or something. Would you agree? Have you ever seen that notation? Open parentheses, equal sign, then I don't know. Do you want to call that greater than or less than? It depends on how you're reading it. Symbol. And then
with parentheses, I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah. This is how the cool programmers do functions. If you're not doing this, then you ain't cool.
Oh, open and close. You're just talking about lambda functions.
What?
Or whatever it's called. I don't know anything.
I'm talking about this is JavaScript. Yeah, it's React Native, but React Native is really just JavaScript. So.
Okay, somebody named Michael wants to know what your thoughts are on dogs.
Like what kind? Dogs are nice, especially Ethel. Ethel's a good dog. Thank you, Michael. So, Matt, who has a great profile picture, says 12:40 a.m. That's great. Anyways, what was I doing? Oh yeah, we're getting the current time. Get current time. Look at that. And by the way, this little thing down here, this says, geez, what? Command Z. This little thing down here. So we have use effect, we have a functional call, comma, and then this notation here. This says run this use effect function whenever the things inside of there have changed values. So for instance, we could have time of day in here, but that'd be ridiculous because then that would be an infinite loop, right? Because get current time sets time of day, so it would call that again, and it would just infinite loop over and over and over. If we have empty brackets, it uses that notation to be run that use effect once, and on re-renders, don't run it again, which is what we want. Yeah, I see no reason not to have that. So, if we save this, now, let's go to File, and Save. Now we can see, after I reload the app, reload, now we can see that it gives the number of hours that we're at currently, which in my world is 22 hours, because it is 10:43 here.
Alright, Alright,
So
Nate,
that's great.
here's a good question. How
Yeah?
many grams of sugar and calories in this appetizer?
What? What are you talking about?
How many grams of sugar and calories in this appetizer?
Oh,
I just need a couple numbers.
probably 420 grams of sugar
Okay?
with 69,000 kilocalories.
That's a lot of kilocalories.
It's a lot of kilocalories. So, you may have noticed time of day is set to 22. Who the heck wants that? Not me. What do you live in? Military land? I don't. So let's go ahead and add a
You
modulo.
can move your webcam to the bottom right.
What?
Your frame is in the top left. They want it to be bottom right so they can see stuff.
There's that. Oh, that's a great idea. There you go. Okay. So who wants to live in military land? I don't. That percent sign is modulo. Modulo is like a clock. So if I do modulo 12, then basically every number above 12, it just loops back around. Over and over and over and over and over. So 22 mod 12 is 10. Yeah, because it's 10 o'clock. So let's go ahead and do file save. And now you can see the display is 10. Pretty snazzy. That's right. Now, watch this crazy language, because you won't understand. You won't even know. So, let's go ahead and add a little bit more logic up here. So we aren't going to want to set the time of day just to be the hour. We are also going to want to get const minute. And that is going to be parse int. Whoa. Parse int time of day dot get minutes. Alright, now that we have the minutes, let's go ahead and add them together in a beautiful thing here. So we're combining the strings. Minutes. Great. Let's save that. By the way, this is important because we're gonna use it later on. I don't know. Oh, nan? I guess that's not how it goes. Oh well. That was fun. Okay. Let's really quickly do this thing that is console.log. And what are we gonna console log? The minutes. And let's put a tag on it that just says min. Okay. So now, when we run it, and we have this terminal out here, you can see that it says min 45. But we are not getting it in any meaningful way out here. So let's go ahead, just to be safe, and add the int properties. Sorry, by the way, if you can hear that. The furnace just turned on, and that's obnoxious, I suppose.
What do you know about the programming language Haskell?
I have no idea what you're saying.
What do you know about the CIA director Haskell?
I don't know. I didn't know there was a CIA director named that.
She just quit or got fired or something. It's not important.
Fair enough.
Okay, Bronson Bean wants to know
Bronson Bean.
what that breadboard, or was that breadboard of any use to you?
Oh, he's from high school.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and yes, it was. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bronson.
Thank you, Bronson. Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and do a console log because we can. So why would this be NAN? Let's go to our chat group.
Well, it looks like people want you to shock yourself.
I don't have any high voltage stuff here actually. Well, I have some all the way up in my room in my closet.
There's high voltage sitting right behind you.
That's a
20.
plug outlet. That's not even... That's just gonna... No. Why is that NAN? What did I do wrong? I'm pretty sure that's all it should be. Let's, just to be sure, let's add a toString right here. Because I'm pretty sure the int class has a toString method tied right to it. Yeah, look. It's printing out just fine. Oh, hey. Thank you very much, The Real Engineer. And thank you, Carson Saldana. Saldana. Welcome. Welcome very much to our shanty land. Let's go ahead and turn that up for all you people.
Your audience is telling you you've changed.
I'm tired. Okay. I would use keyboard shortcuts. I really would. However, I'm using a Windows computer on what should be a Windows computer on a Mac. So it does not have the command key anywhere. And that's why I'm not using keyboard shortcuts. Yeah. Anyways, why are we at NAN? That's the biggest problem of the day. It's a pretty big problem. What's going on? No one really knows. Merge yourself with the machine?
Apparently you're getting organic traffic on this video, Nate.
What does that mean? Why would I even get that?
I don't know, but you have at least 2 people here organically just through the YouTube rabbit hole.
Well, that's sad.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's good. That's very good. Why I'm subscribed to you? I don't know, Joshua Rogers. That's a great question. Oh, yeah, I am making an iOS app. I am using React Native. So when you're compiling it, you do have to use Xcode. However, that's not the part that I'm doing right now. This is all. You should look up React Native. It's very nice because you can develop both iOS and Android at the exact same time. And yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So, continuing onwards. Hey, Mason.
Yeah.
Why do we have NAN? What's going on here?
There's not a number.
There's not.
You divide it by 0 or something like that, I guess.
There's no. Oh.
Is there any division?
Oh, wait. Look, I'm an idiot. I was doing a string mod 12. What does that mean? That's definitely not a number. What is that? That's a string. So,
Why would you do
there we go.
12? That doesn't make sense.
We solved the problem. Yeah, I have heard of Flutter. I just chose to learn React Native. That's really it. Yay, now we can see the time. Isn't that great? Windows key equals command key? Oh, there's no Windows key. You see? This is just a sad keyboard. That's all that's going on. The next upload will come out, I don't know, 2 weeks from now. I'll be sure of it.
Oh, wow. That's a big commitment.
That is a big commitment, but I don't know. There it is. So, you can see here, we're back to the 22 being there. So let's go ahead and have another thing here. Let's put the mod 12 right here.
Ooh, you just got doxed by Bronson.
What? Oh no. Alright, so now we have a fully functioning clock. Did you want a clock? I wanted a clock. Everyone probably wanted a clock. Yeah, the uploads will continue to be science videos. This is just, I don't know. I'm just trying to make a productivity app because I really wanted one. So that's what we're doing right now. Let's go ahead and make some components because we're gonna need some components. Specifically, I kind of want little card things. Yeah, I just want card things. So let's go ahead and go into the app folder here. We're gonna make another folder. This is gonna be called components. And let's make a new file in here. And let's call it card.js. Now, lucky for all of you, behind the screens, some pre-cooking went on. And I actually already have a card.js that I made for my other app, which we are just gonna take. If I can.
Carson wants to know, are you a professor or a teacher?
I'm neither. I am Nate. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, let's go ahead and insert in this thing, and we'll walk through it because I need to change it because this is all based off of my coupon app that I made a while ago.
Oh, Tyler says that you should not be building your own time parser. There exist functions for that already.
Oh, that's true. Oh well.
Okay.
It's already done. So, I don't need these touchable things. Maybe I do. We'll leave that there, actually. I do. No, I don't. That is completely incorrect. You do not want to import it from here. React Native Gesture Handler is like real garbage. Real garbage if I've ever seen it. I thought so anyways. Maybe it's not. I don't know. We'll see. I'm pretty sure that this one doesn't really work properly. So, what gets passed into the card? You may be wondering. Well, first off, we don't need the sound player here. We will have this on press. That's going to be passed in. And here we have a long assortment here of all kinds of things. So inside of here we have a view, and currently this is made to have an image, text, and all kinds of goodies. So, and we have all kinds of styles here as well. We don't need a logo container. No, we definitely don't. We don't need like any of this stuff, so I don't know why I ported it all in. Yeah, we don't need this either. Let's go ahead and take away the marked for trade. Let's also take away image background. That doesn't need to be there.
They're telling you that
That doesn't need to be there.
Right now, you should reboot the haptic capacitor so that you can copy the UDP protocol.
What the? I don't know what that means.
Well,
So,
your HTML driver is down.
what? I don't. I don't know. No. Okay, anyways, here we have some styles. Let's go ahead and throw in a text. And let's delete off things we don't need. So here, we need to import text. And let's throw in a text object. So in here, let's go ahead and give it a good old-fashioned test. Does any of this use colors? It does use colors. I'm pretty sure that's the only time that is used. So let's just get rid of that. Pop. This uses colors.primary. Pretty sure we don't need that anymore. Let's just change it currently to, I don't know. This is a good color. This is my favorite one. This is one of my favorites. DDD. It's a nice gray. Alright, so now on day screen, let's import that in so we can go ahead and look at it. We are going to want a scroll view, which I'm pretty sure is available through React Native right here. So let's...
Alright, so in answer to your question, Mark, it looks like the easiest way to treat an aneurysm from home is to remove a section of skull so that you can access the aneurysm and locate the blood vessel that fed it. And then you're going to place a tiny metal clip on the neck of the aneurysm to stop the blood flow to it.
What? So Mason says, maybe you guys didn't hear, he just really told you guys how to stop an aneurysm. So that's pretty good. It's pretty nifty. Anyways, we are going to import card from, we're importing that from /components/card. Alright.
Ooh, the Senate wants you to turn off your music.
The Senate? Who's the Senate? And why do they want me to turn off my music? What do they have against sea shanties?
I don't know.
Alright.
You'll have to ask them.
I think everyone likes it. Here, I'll turn it down. This is as down as I can turn it. I can turn it up. There. There we go. Now it's all set. Oh, thank you very much, Ita. That is very, very nice of you. I am very fond of my paint skills. Yeah, okay, we'll walk Lily agrees with the Senate. Well, that's interesting because the music is great. Anyways, to go back through our big old plan here, we need a productivity app because wow, this draws very laggily. That's me. Wow, it is not responding quite fast. It is very slow. So I guess, anyways, we're just making a productivity app. That's it. That's it, everyone.
Okay, so it looks like if you deal with the central SMTP sensor, then you can transcode the cross-platform address.
I don't know what you're talking about, Mason. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't understand. What does that say? Unable to resolve module, React Native gesture handler. Oh, yeah, that makes sense because I don't know what that is. Let's just get rid of it. Except for it uses touchable opacity. Let's go ahead and import in where I think it should go anyways, which is from React Native, because I don't think that one works, as I was saying a second ago. Let's go ahead and plop it down here. Man, keyboard shortcuts are really nice.
Oh, Nate, the person who donated is asking where the taser's at.
Where is the taser? All right. So first off, it donated, so like obviously his priority gets to be higher than everyone else's because that's just how it goes. So so the shanty music will continue. Oh no! Come back. Okay. We need to get back to the. Dang it.
Okay, is making a productivity app just an excuse for you to procrastinate?
Yes, it is absolutely an excuse for me to procrastinate. Dang it! Where'd it go? All right. Sea shanty 10 hour. I am not typing in anything correctly because this keyboard sucks. All right. We're going back to it. I accidentally got rid of it. There it is. Hopefully it remembered my watch time. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and continue. So,
Oh, you're going to want to network the transistor without backing up the Ethernet DVR form factor.
what the? All right, friends. Real talk now, because we're diving in to the great depth of Oh, geez.
Oh, we're getting a specific song request, I think. Starless by King Crimson.
Is it gonna flag me?
Yeah, probably.
Dang it. I can't do things that oh, where's the taser? Tasers are nice. I think it's in my car. Probably. React Native gesture handler? What is it talking about? There's no React Native. I never saved. So, let's talk philosophy. Okay? Because that's what everyone likes. Everyone likes philosophy, right? Where's colors? Nobody really knows. Is there a difference between machine and human mind, Mason?
One of them is a Turing machine and the other works in parallel.
That was not the correct answer. I don't know. What are your Matt says yes. Okay, I'm curious. What is it? Because I don't know. I think we are just a bunch of machines wandering around, bumping into one another. Yeah. Just switch to Android dev. No, this is both Android and iOS at the exact same time. Look at that. Look at that. We made a clickable card with an on press that's not defined. That's great. That's exactly what we want. And it's completely like stretched out. We don't want that, but that's kind of what we want essentially. Let's go ahead and unstretch it out. So that's going to be, here you can see the style we have here is shadow view. I don't think that's it. We're actually looking for the style that's right here, which is styles.card. Okay. Once Bean says the human brain is a machine, there's just no current interface capable of truly reading it. Sure, I agree with that. Control S. Control S really doesn't work on my computer. I'm tapping it. Look at this. Look at this. I'm tapping it. I'm tapping it. There's no... Oh, wait, did that just do it? Okay, let's just tapping it again. Okay, yeah, it didn't do it.
Have you tried parsing the fiber optic IP application? That should help you copy the THM's protocol.
Thank you, Mason. Thank you. The problem is that I'm using a Windows one. Oh, go to File and select Autosave?
Do we live in a
I don't know, I can do that.
Or do we live in a society?
We live in both a simulation and a society, Mason.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Which one's inside the other?
Which one's inside the other?
Or
we
is
are
it like not fully concentric?
We're probably a society within a simulation within a society. Within a simulation within a society within a simulation within a society.
Just all the way up?
Yeah. I mean, why not be a big simulation? Because at the end of the day, like, things are quantized, and the universe is only so big. And why is there a Planck length? And what happens when you get something, when you get length contraction going really fast towards something and it contracts below Planck length, then shouldn't it view it as a black hole? And then if it views it as a black hole, then you shouldn't be having light experience anything, but I guess light doesn't actually travel at that speed, and it really doesn't make any sense. And I'm very confused.
On an unrelated note, kind of.
Okay.
Given that we do live in a society, which is the most oppressed minority?
What? That is not very,
Why is the answer gamers?
Oh, I couldn't find it.
You can turn on an autosave feature.
Yeah, I don't know where it is.
It's in 5.
Oh, duh, it's right there in front of me. So now it just saves as I type? Well, that's great. That's fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Carson. That is literally the greatest thing.
Oh,
Thank you.
apparently copying the network won't do anything. We need to generate the analog RSS array.
What? Thank you, Mason. So the min height here, I don't know. I'm not thinking it should be that. I'm thinking we should display cards at like, I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Probably like 8%? 8% of the screen. So now if we go look at it, it's only 8% tall. And of course we still haven't defined on press. So we are gonna be hitting that. Oh, that's cool. I'm glad you made the taser. That's pretty good. Anyways, let's go ahead and refresh that. Okay. So you can also see that it's centered in the middle. We don't want that, so let's go ahead and delete that. Whoop. Now, it is still centered in the middle because reasons.
Which text editor are you using?
We're using Visual Studio Code. It's a really good text editor. I used to not like it at all, but it's pretty nice.
What changed your mind?
I don't really know.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, so that's a problem. Look at that. The time being displayed here, it's not actually a problem because it's not going to use this at all. But maybe we'll use it. Sure, we're going to use it, so therefore it's a problem. You can see here that it says 11 then 3 when it should say 11:03. So let's just fix that really quickly because that's going to bother me for a very long time until
Why
we
don't you
fix
use
it.
Vim?
Vim?
Or Emacs?
For a text editor?
Oh yeah.
Like, sure, it edits
It
text.
literally is a text editor.
It is a text editor, I understand that.
Yeah.
But why would I do that when I can have the whole file tree organized right here with like colors and
You
autofill?
do everything with the keyboard. You don't need a funky mouse. Just make that cord off.
You can't even... No, because my keyboard doesn't even work very well. Let's see. Shiest MCE says, Mason, are you free?
Zero cost.
He's 0 cost. There you go. It's 0 cost, really, guys. Like, it's free. Join it. Take it. Do what you have to. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. If min is... Whoops. If min is less than or equal to 10. Yep. And then we want to do min... Ooh. Yeah, okay. We're going to want to do min equals 0 plus min.toString. I don't even think we need the min.toString since I think it automatically converts it. But we'll do it here just in case.
Evil Dr. Mainstream wants to know, how has life been?
Life has been pretty good.
Yeah.
It has been pretty good. Yeah.
No major stressors?
No major stressors. Actually, there are a lot of stressors, but it's good stress. It is very good stress. Because at the end of the day, I just want to make a lot of money so that we can make lots of brain-machine interface things and put our brains into computers so that, like, what's the point of trying to cure cancer if you can put your brain into a computer? That's the ultimate solution. That is the ultimate solution. That'd be great. That'd be fantastic. And that's all I really want. Anyways, now you can see we can see nothing because I guess I broke something. Very strange. Very strange. What have I broken? I'm not really sure. Oh, duh! I said const. Alright. Now it's fixed. If I reload it, I think. Okay, cool. So we fixed that little thing. Any other interesting comments, Mason?
I haven't seen anything recently.
Alright.
People are talking about which text editors are better.
Fair enough.
Some say Notepad++, some say GNU Nano.
Mm-hmm. So this is like kind of wrapping content, and that's too bad. The width says 100%. But let's make sure that it is actually getting to 100% because it is definitely not.
You know who Thought Emporium is?
Yeah, I do know who Thought Emporium is.
You're gonna do a collab with them?
Not till I start posting regularly.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Oh, the friend here is Mason. He was on was on a live stream like 3 years ago. Maybe 2 years ago? I don't know. Freshman year of college.
Either 2017 or 2018.
Yeah, probably 2017. I think fall of 2017.
Yeah, that's probably right.
Sheast MC is still just saying a whole lot of gobbledygook. That's all I can say.
No, I think this is a good idea. You really should transcode the CGI port. It'll help you quantify the 56K matrix.
That'd be really great. I lack the skills. Why is the width doing that? I thought it should just be the width. Because if I change this out instead of 100% to be like 1000, well then of course it's going to be very wide. So, I don't know.
What's the
I'd probably have
main idea of your
a
app?
flex. Oh, this is just a very simple productivity. Yeah. Z-Man says he was at that live stream. Yeah, and then Matt says the dab live stream. That's
Dab.
No.
Dab.
No.
Can we get dabs in the chat?
Let's not get dabs in the chat. Yeah, we're just trying to make this wider. And also it'd be nice to have it be a different color, and I should finally define that on press so it doesn't just break every second. Anyways, let's see. So the problem, we have it right here. We have it in a shadow view. This is overlaying the entire thing, and this width is 0. That's probably going to have an effect.
Nate, my entire screen is filled with people who want me to dab.
Like, that... That'll be dealt with at a future date. Okay, the width here needs to also be 100%.
Can you just cough into your elbow?
There you go. That's all you get. Okay. Look, now it's... What? I guess it's broken. Oh well. Oh, shadow offset? I guess that shouldn't be a thing. There's no undo on that keyboard. That makes sense. Let's put width here. Width. We're gonna give it a width of 100%. That I'm gonna change to 95% because 100% is too crazy. Okay, actually, I guess that doesn't do it.
You know what you should do?
What?
You should use electricity to like force yourself into dab position for your next video.
What are you talking about? Oh, that would be... Actually, that's a decent idea.
Yeah, it's never been done before.
It has never been done before. How do I do that? Where do I put the electrodes? I'll tell you what. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Yeah. That sounds... Let's see. We need to contract. How do we get those muscles to contract?
I don't know.
Like both
just
of
do
them?
it.
I'm not doing it. We'll have to, like, I don't know. I'm fine with the electricity making me do it. So this is the... Let's open up touchables. I'm going so dang slow. What's going on? Okay, width is 100%. Width is 100%. What is going on? I don't know. Styles.back. You'd think that it'd be here, but it's not. Let's see. Oh, thanks for coming by, Carson. Have a good night, and I appreciate the autosave.
Oh, did you hear what happened with Call Me Carson?
I don't know who that is. Who's Call Me Carson?
He's like an East Alive of some kind.
No, I didn't hear
He
what
was,
happened.
he was texting unokay things with underage girls.
Oh, that's not good.
No. I mean, it makes a difference though. He was like 19 and she was 17. So,
Oh, that makes a complete difference. Like,
not according to the law.
not according to the law. But like, if you do that like whole 1/2 plus 7, right? Isn't that a thing?
Yeah, that's not how I remember that.
Oh, that's fun. I've never seen that.
With 1/2 is 19 plus 7.
I don't know. I don't know math. Sure. No. Okay, you're right.
What?
You're right. I guess I was wrong.
No, 1/2 plus 7 would be 16.5.
Yeah.
It's allowed.
Yes. Yes, it is. Yeah. So what's the deal then? I don't know.
I
Seems to
don't
fit
know.
within specifications.
Come on, society.
Exactly. Thank you, Ronan Madden. I appreciate that. What was I doing? We're trying to figure out this width. What's going on? Alright.
There's an issue with line 17.
Line 17.
Oh, it just says flex 1, that's all.
You are correct. Let's get rid of that style. We don't need that flex one there. Ooh. Our flex direction is probably the wrong way.
Okay, it's been 1 hour. Have you done any of your outcome at all?
Oh my gosh. It's already been an hour? we have a button that says test, and it's very long. And this should also be in a thing called safe area view. So let's go ahead and get that in here. Safe area view. Let's change this out to be safe area view. And safe area view. There we go. Now it's not too long. Now it's just like screen height. Alright. Yeah, that flex one was totally doing something. This should not be min height. This should just be height. I think. It should be min height. No, it's gonna be height. No, it's gonna be min height. You're right. Min height it is. But we want flex direction to be slightly different. In here, let's go ahead and put flex 1 so that it takes up the whole screen. We do not want it to take up the whole screen. But can I? But I need to have a flex to a flex direction. But the flex direction, I think, is supposed to be vertical. I always get confused with this. Let's try column. I'm pretty sure, I thought it was vertical and horizontal though.
You switch the code layer to active device.
Ooh. What'd you say?
Switch code layer to active device.
Switch code layer to... I'm not sure what that means.
I don't know. LT is saying some communist stuff. We don't allow that here. This is America.
What? Communism? On my good server? This is a capitalist server.
Anti-Christian. Blasphemy. Sedition.
I don't know what's going on anymore, Mason. I don't know what's going on anymore. I don't know why I'm very out of it. Nor why I can even... That's not what I wanted. But maybe that's what I get.
How do you feel about ivermectin?
What's ivermectin?
It is a COVID-19 treatment, something. I don't know.
I can make up an opinion on it.
Yeah, make up a name.
But I probably shouldn't.
No, it's good.
Oh yeah, okay, it's good. It's good. Apparently it's good. No idea.
No, your opinion is good. I don't know if ivermectin is good.
Yeah?
Maybe it's bad.
I don't know.
It's your choice. Like, whatever you say.
Let's just listen to whatever, who was asking that?
You're a scientific authority. You have all...
I'm a scientific authority. Alright, looks like it is very good. Would recommend 1000%.
It's from Hoi Boy.
Hoi boy. We'll default to whatever he says. Alright. Okay. It's time to focus. Why the heck do we have a very tall thing? Where's that coming from? Let's see. This is all contained within... Why do I even have a shadow view? Who cares about shadows? Like, I guess it's kind of nice that it has a shadow. We'll leave in the shadows. We'll leave in the shadows.
Can you get yourself an on-screen keyboard?
On-screen keyboard? I don't know how to do that. So the answer is no. No, I cannot.
Is this app going to be scalable?
Is it? Yes, because it's not going to be an online app. This is going to be just completely local machine. So, yeah.
Infinitely scalable.
Infinitely scalable. Infinitely
Whoa,
scalable.
That's crazy.
This is crazy talk, but we're bringing it to you here, right now, in this land. Today. Today. Right now.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, so we got the height problem solved. Why is width 100%, like, it feels like it's wrapping something still. But I don't see it. Where'd it go? Salsa card. What if I delete that? Is that gonna make it happy? No. That makes it very unhappy, actually.
Capitalize on the NoSQL Angular. That's how you maximize the potential of AWS Lambda.
I use AWS Lambda actually on my other apps. I do use Node.js. That's what you just really said too. Oh, NoSQL. NoSQL is for DynamoDB. Or whatever, I guess. I guess you can have multiple databases.
Django, I think, is NoSQL.
Really?
I could be wrong.
I didn't know that.
I think Mongo is.
Mongo definitely is. Mongo is NoSQL. You're absolutely correct. Alright, anyways. Why is the width not 100%? You may be wondering this. I'm not really sure either. What happens if I put flex 1? Have I done that? I can't remember. Let's find out.
Are we going to get voice assistant integration on this?
We are not going to get voice assistant integration. Unless one of you guys want to do it, we'll publish the code. Because very easy, simple code that obviously I can't even do because I don't know what's going on. Also, I'm just going to throw this in here really quickly so when I press it, it stops dying. Is that the notation? I'm pretty sure it's just on press equals, not equals. No, it's equals. It's definitely equals. We'll set it equal to the empty function. Okay, that should keep it from dying when I hit the button. Nope, I guess not. Cannot find a variable on press. Did I not pass it in?
Lily's leaving us.
Oh, bye Lily. Thank you very much.
Well, it looks like Sheev is gone too.
Sheev is gone. Sheev is gone. Alright, we have on press now. No longer will it be sad. Look at that. Look at that. Anyways.
Someone wants to know what we can get the GitHub source on this. This is $1 million app.
This is a $0 app. You're welcome to have whatever you want in it. In fact, let's make a public repository right now.
You know what the app needs?
What?
Banner ads.
Oh yeah, let's throw lots of banner ads. Banner ads. Then we can get like $0.10 a year.
Well, the thing you do, you put the banner ads in, and then you have like the buy the developer a cup of coffee button, and then they give you $5 to remove banner ads forever.
Oh. Okay. I see.
Yeah. And then you make more on that button if like 1% clicks than you ever would on ads.
Really? That's true. That's fair. That is very fair. Leverage at this point, crowdfund later. Okay. Actually, you guys can go check out my other app if you want. That actually I knew what I was doing, and did stuff on. That is called Coupon Chase. You will see no coupons loaded because it is a local app. Yeah. Maybe one day you guys will see it in your area. But as to this point, it just launched yesterday, so.
People want to know what is the point of the app you're writing right now.
Honestly, I'm starting to forget.
Productivity.
This is a productivity app. This will make me
to-do
productive. What time is it? 11:21. Jeez. Oh, yeah, it's in the description. There it is. Okay. Hey Mason.
Yeah.
Riddle me this.
I'm riddling.
Why does width 100% not do width 100%? What kind of container is it in? I'm not really sure. The highest container it's in also says width 100%. I don't know.
Give it like a width in pixels.
Oh yeah, then it stretches out to the correct length.
Yes, do that.
But the problem is like pixel changes based on phone. And there's some library where I can see how many pixels it is across, but
Yeah, do that one.
it's very obnoxious. And I've solved this on my other app. So maybe I should just look what I did with my other app. On here I have, it's all within a touchable opacity. Styles.card. That we have the shadow view, we have the card. Shadow view, it's just simple. Oh, Mason.
Yeah.
I know exactly what the problem is.
Great.
Look, I was looking in the wrong what? It is not you. You are not the problem. You are a symptom of the problem. Alright. So sorry everyone. That took way too long to find. because it turns out I'm really stupid. However, we can fix it right here because I'm pretty sure
Guess how long ago you started streaming?
way too long ago to only have one button.
69 minutes.
69. Now it's time for
Dab,
new.
dab, dab, dab.
There you go.
That was
That's
a hand cough.
yeah, that's what you get. Style. So what we need to do here is go ahead and throw in width as 100% on the upper level. Look at oh shoot. Well, I may have overhyped that. It's very possible. That was not the problem.
Okay, we got two suggestions here, I think.
That's not the problem.
One is put in a feature that will ramp up their CPU use to 100% if they ever try to uninstall the app.
Okay.
Okay. Second one, this is more of a business suggestion, is he's saying there's unspoken benefits to considering valuation as a solution.
What?
Yeah.
What does that mean? Like valuation of a company?
There's benefits that are unspoken when you start considering valuation as a solution.
As a solution to what? Is this the same guy?
The same guy as what?
Like as all the transistor and
No, that's two different guys.
oh.
One's giving you technical gobbledygook, the other is giving you marketing gobbledygook.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. All right, look at this, friends. Look at this.
Good night, Matthew Pyle. Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
man, I interrupted you.
No, it's totally good. Yeah. Good night, Matthew Pyle.
Ooh.
Thank you very much. This will be the very most. Ooh, hydration is
mining
good.
virus app.
What?
Ethercoin mining virus app.
Ooh, there are a lot of viruses actually that literally just do miners in the background, and that's quite sad, I guess, isn't it? Yeah, I suppose so.
Oh, is this the Creed Bratton?
The Creed Bratton. Oh my gosh, there he is.
Bro, he wants. Is it me? Throw me from the window?
It's probably me.
Oh,
Yeah.
that'll do it.
So there's our little button. You see it? It is quite small. So that didn't solve the problem. That may have made it worse.
Nate, what is your thought on the Danes?
Hasn't this question come up before? Did someone in the chat ask that?
No, that's coming from me.
Okay, I don't know what that means, Mason. I don't know,
Do you know who the Danes are?
like the Danish?
Yeah.
Like what do they do?
What do they do? What are your thoughts?
I don't know. Let's go to the chat. Hey chat, what is your thought on the Danes? Haha, we've gone from 42 down to 22. Eventually when it hits 0, we can go to bed. I can go upstairs and go to my bed and go to sleep. Yeah. So you can see here we have a flex 1. That's good because it should be taking up the entire thing. But I think flexes normally mess up my entire thing.
Ooh, I think
So-
you're right. Nate, you're going to find an incredible amount of potential untapped in a scalable Mongo database.
Like, that's... I don't know why it's untapped. They do have a lot of potential, sure.
Yeah.
Uh,
I mean, really, when you start considering valuation as a solution, there are some unspoken benefits there.
there are some unspoken benefits. Oh, jeez. Alright, look, friends. Look at this. Now we have a very long and very thin thing here. Space Squirrel the Majestic says they are tasty with cheese, in referring to the Danes. So, there you go.
Yeah.
Also, looks like it was a big oopsie to put this here. I'm not gonna say that again. That was obnoxious. We'll just
This isn't a bad one.
what?
An app that just causes your phone to calculate massive numbers on a loop, causing it to freeze up, and keeping you from doing things like Instagram. Highly productive.
Okay, that's pretty good, I guess. That's much better than this garbage. What am I even doing? We can do that. Nate, just imagine there was a plate of lasagna in front of you. That's kind of hard to imagine, because it would only exist for like a plonk second or something. Thank you. Thank you for laughing, Mason. Thank you for laughing. Oh, yeah. Jeez. Okay, so I thought that was gonna fix it, but it turns out it made it worse. Actually, the width thing was fixed, right? Yeah, there's the width. That width is perfect. That width is perfect. That's exactly what I want. In fact, I actually want it to be 95%. Now there's just a problem with the height. The height used to be solved. What went wrong? I'm not really sure. Let's dive into it. Oh. Okay.
Ooh. Ransomware.
This is
They
it.
install the app on their phone, you take control of their file structure, and won't give it back until they pay you in Bitcoin.
I see. I like where you're coming from.
Mm-hmm.
That's a creative take.
That's not my take.
That's a creative take. Whose take is it? Who took the take?
Mark.
Look! Look! It's the correct size! Finally, after an hour, we have text in a bubble. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you guys see
do I
that?
that?
Do you guys see that? We've got it. We've got it. Look, there it is. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
It's not centered.
It's all about the concept.
Okay.
Here. Watch this, friends. Watch this. We are gonna add, we're gonna add padding, okay? Here you can see the back. We have like a background color. What?
What language are you coding in?
We are coding in React Native. Watch this. Padding.
Is React Native really a language?
It's kind of a conglomeration of languages, I suppose, actually. You know?
I would say it's more like a framework.
You know what? I think you're right. It is a framework, isn't it? Because it has React and it has JS. Look, now we have a little bit of like a buffer. So here's where the tasks will go. All right. Now, watch this fantastic.
Are you going to have to manually put in your buffers as an item, or are you going to set this up so it automatically goes in buffers on a desired page?
Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Oh, Matt says, what's the button gonna do? That is going to be, you're gonna click it, and then it will show more text if necessary. Okay? I don't know. It can do whatever we want. You guys can tell me. But that's what I think. That's what I think. We're gonna have lots of buttons. What? Why?
Hit him with the band hammer.
Hit him with the band hammer. I'm
Okay,
just
not
kidding.
allowed, I can't do that.
I'm just kidding. Yeah. Actually, it could be good to set it as auto. It'd be really nice to have like a machine learning thing help you out. We have our clock. We have that, and instead of a clock, it's gonna be like a line that scrolls down. You know, one of those red lines like they have in the Google timekeeping app. The only
Google
difference
Calendar?
in the Google Calendar,
Wait, why aren't we just using Google Calendar?
because I don't know. Because Google Calendar you have to type in like 2 different times. You can't just say, at least as far as I'm aware. I don't
You're
think
good exporting your data here to Google Calendar.
we can export to Google Calendar. Yeah, that sounds great. Cool. Yeah, that does sound great. Let me shed some light on this next part. Okay. Watch this. There's gonna be something.
I'm watching.
It's gonna be something.
What is it?
We need buttons. Agree?
Agree.
Thank you very much. That is all. That's everything, man.
Okay, what if the buttons, when you hit them, they display a little, like, self-affirming message?
Self-affirming messages could be good. Yeah, it could display a message boost your productivity.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. That'd be fun.
That sounds way easier.
That sounds way easier. Totally, I agree.
Let's do it.
Okay. We can have it also like fetch random pictures from the internet. No, wait, is that even gonna? I don't know. We can do whatever. It can play a little music.
Okay, here's one that I want.
Yeah.
I want to be able to get random timers.
Random timers. What are you
I
talking
want
about?
to say, hey, give me 3 random times throughout the day and remind me
Of
of random times.
Okay. Let's first throw in some more buttons. We need a button to create. Okay? To create. This is gonna create. We're also gonna need like a library to talk with caching things. We're gonna want to cache all the data. We'll deal with that in a bit.
Do you invest in silver?
No, I don't invest in silver.
Did you know that silver has never been worth nothing?
Really?
Because the markets crash. Yep, it's always worth something.
Well, I guess that's better than like a lot of the stocks I've bought.
Yeah, it'll help you reduce volatility in your investment portfolio.
Hmm.
That's what Ben Shapiro keeps on telling me.
Really?
Yep.
Well, then.
Well, he usually talks about gold, but sometimes it's silver.
All right, fair enough. We are going to use a library called Action Button. I'm pretty sure. Let me look for it. I forgot the npm install for it. Let's go ahead. I know the import statement because I just barely found it. So on the day screen, we're going to want to import this library right here. And that means we need to install it. So we have React Native Action Button. Let's go ahead and grab it. And you can do npm install or you can do expo install. Expo install is better, I think, because we have to get a new terminal.
Have you ever invested in Osmium?
I don't know. Oh, like William Osmond? Is that what that's supposed to be?
Probably not William Osmond. I think it's an element.
Really? I've never heard of it, actually. Okay, well I'm gonna do expo install. Oh no. Oh wait, there we go. Expo install that.
Well, if you had invested in silver 20 years ago, you would have found a 450% profit today.
Like, that's nice, but 450 isn't that much profit.
I mean, market rates is like...
Market rate's like 10%. Market rate... This is true. This is true.
I mean, to be fair, the market was doing especially poorly 10 years ago. 20 years ago. No, I was thinking 2008 recession. That's...
Yeah, this is...
I don't know.
It's like 9/11, I guess.
9/11.
9/11.
We're about to hit 20 years.
About to hit 20 years,
Okay,
yeah.
what are your thoughts, guys? Is it okay to make fun of 9/11 after 20 years have passed?
Alright, let's
Like, at
go
that
to
point,
the...
it's old news. Who even cares?
The Fogettis say if you invested in silver 20 years ago, you'd profit 450% more than if you invested with Warren Buffett. That's true. But what I'm saying is, like, the real profit comes from making your own companies and then doing a big sell-off. That's what I'm saying. Do you guys want to see my stock portfolio? Let's go to Robinhood, because that's where I like to waste all my money. Sign in.
You should make your terminal background look slightly transparent. Or did you do
I
that already?
probably shouldn't show verification code. Let me drag it over here, because I guess we're talking about stocks now. Alright, you guys can look at the beautiful sea shanty for a second. 1 second. 1 sec.
Matt says step 1, invest in Elon Musk. Step 2,
Yes!
profit.
That is exactly what I did. That is exactly what I did. That is exactly what I've been doing. As you can see here. Okay, as you can see here. Oh, okay, I guess that's only 62%, and the past year is 145%. And this is all thanks to freaking Elon Musk, okay? Okay? Because I have bought and sold quite a few Tesla shares throughout this time.
Okay. You should
yeah.
consider investing in the Japanese yen and the Chinese renminbi. Those are about to go up relative to the dollars.
Really?
Experts agree.
Who's experts?
The Fogettis.
The Fogettis. Okay, sure. Sure.
Invest in Xilinx.
What is Xilinx?
Xilinx is...
X-Linux. Xilinx? No, I don't know what that is, actually. What is Xilinx?
Xilinx is the... what is the word again? The IDE that a lot of people use to code FPGAs.
Oh. Okay. I've heard of that then. For some reason I always thought it was called X-Linux.
No.
I just read it incorrectly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, anyways.
Apparently they also manufacture the FPGAs.
Really?
Yeah. All the FPGAs I ever used had their thing printed on it.
Cool.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you for the for the like. We're up to 66.
You are totally right that Robinhood should not be a website for trading stocks. That is a That is a sketchy name, isn't it?
Well, I mean, theoretically, you are the poor.
Oh,
and
I'm the
stealing
poor?
rich.
Okay.
I mean, Robin Hood. Robin Hood's doing the stealing from the rich. to
But
give
we're not.
to you.
It's more of like sharing in the mutual growth. I don't know.
But why do we call Robin Hood a good guy?
He's not a good guy. He stole from people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stealing's
Yeah.
never right. That's like a moral absolute. I don't know. I don't think
How do you
stealing's
feel
ever
about
right.
lying is moral absolute?
Oh. I don't think lying is a moral absolute. I don't think there are any moral absolutes, to be honest. I know I just barely said there is one, but I was kind of being
Absolute
sarcastic.
vodka.
All right.
Is murder a moral absolute?
Murder?
Yeah.
Like, probably shouldn't murder anyone. Yeah. Because, like, there's a difference between self-defense and murder. So, I don't know. It's probably a.
So there are moral absolutes.
No, it's not a moral. There are no moral absolutes, but it's probably like a human central moral absolute. Because,
So like anything's okay if you can justify it.
well, like, the universe certainly doesn't care. So, like, maybe defining your subset to be within, like, humanity.
What if you like dead set certain that your God has told you to fly an airplane into a building? Is that okay?
Ooh.
Within your own frame of morality?
Within your own frame of morality, it's okay. And that's gonna get, like, obviously that's not okay from like general humanity, and obviously I don't think that's okay. Okay, just gotta clarify that. But sure, from their moral standpoint,
What if you're doing it in order to strike fear into the heart of the devil nation who has destroyed your people for decades
like,
through unjust wars and political assassination?
from my moral point of view, it is not right. But that's the thing. I genuinely think that people who are bad, like what we view as bad, I don't know, what the general consensus of the population view as bad, including myself for most part. I genuinely think that those people do think that they are in the right. You know, everyone likes to think they're in the right, and so from there, I don't know. Some people do like notice the guilt, you know, but in China they don't care about eating dogs, right? Or that's obviously a huge blanket statement. It's more part of the culture, but here in America we're like, oh, that is very wrong, you know.
Is it okay to eat horses?
I don't think so.
What about pigs?
I don't think it's okay to eat pigs, but that's just my opinion. 'Cause they're pretty smart. Of course, it doesn't share the same same status as dogs. Even though dogs aren't as smart as pigs, dogs are like co-evolved with humans, so I feel like we owe them. Yeah. Mark L says, Mason, have you been talking to God recently?
Not often.
Okay, very good.
Okay, so a question.
What was I even doing? I completely
Theft
forgot.
wrong. Theft is a moral absolute wrong.
Theft?
Yes, no?
Okay. Again, we have to say, like, there's no moral absolutes, but
Is taxation theft?
yes, taxation is theft.
Abolish the government.
I kind of agree with that. Yeah, I don't like the government. I don't like a lot of government programs that go on. Like, why should the government be doing all these things? Layers of bureaucracy that you find within government completely just destroy the efficiency, for instance, of like government-run charities. It's absurdly ridiculous. I don't remember the exact numbers, but it's pretty crazy. Especially compared to like privately owned charities, much better. Pretty much everything. Why would you want the same organization that's responsible for things like the DMV and the U.S. Post Office to be in charge of giving you money and providing food for you and all those? It doesn't make much sense.
And also like NASA, it's literally an outgrowth of Nazi scientists.
Yes, NASA is. I'm not much of a fan of NASA. SpaceX is pretty cool. I like SpaceX. Yeah, SpaceX is real cool. Those are my opinions. Oh, thank you, Blueprint. I'm glad you are enjoying my basement. Matt says we should eat pigs since they are smart, so we have to assert our dominance. Like, that's fair. That's very good. That's very good.
Speaking of, I saw some articles, I think a couple years ago,
Yeah.
talking about how monkeys are literally entering the Stone Age.
Oh, I saw that.
Does it start time to declare war on monkeys?
That's pretty crazy. Yeah, you have these other animals that are starting to use, like, spear-like things, right? Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Yeah, geez. Thank goodness we got there first. What am I doing? We're putting down some buttons. We're putting down some
Believe in
buttons.
moral universalism, moralism, or nihilism.
I don't really know what any of those are, if I'm being honest. I don't think there's a universal moral. I don't know.
Chicken?
What?
Chicken.
Yeah,
Dinosaurs? Would you eat dinosaurs?
I would eat a dinosaur because that'd be really. That's like, when are you gonna do that?
Would you eat like
Probably.
a rabbit?
No, I think there's Fluffy, and that's like. Sorry. That's.
So is like mammals the line?
Yeah, I'd say for
Would you
me.
eat a snake or an octopus?
I wouldn't eat an octopus because I just don't like fish food, but also I think the octopuses are probably pretty smart. There's some line, and because obviously like if you keep on going that like, oh, every organism has a right to life, then you can't eat plants because that's just like a dumbed down version of an animal. And some plants are probably smarter than some very, very, very simple
Well, if
animals.
we're talking about like right to life, how do you feel about eating chicken eggs?
About eating chicken eggs?
Yeah.
Oh! I totally agree with you that it's completely hypocritical for someone who says like that they are like that they don't eat chicken meat because they're because they view that it's inhumane to then have chicken eggs. You know, obviously that's like comparing. This is territory that you don't really want to tread on. So maybe I should stop with that. Let's continue on with the buttons. We're finding some buttons. All right, we're putting down some buttons. So we just barely imported React Native Action Button. This is gonna allow us to put nice like Google Store buttons on the bottom corner for like a
Are
plus.
you done doing hardware projects? Is it all software from here on?
No, I'll do hardware projects. I like hardware. Yeah, but software is very, very nice. Software is very, very nice. So,
Once Elon Musk gets us to Mars, do you think the U.S. government is going to try and claim jurisdiction?
oh, that'd be really annoying.
They're going to do it, you know.
Yeah, they're definitely gonna do it. Sure.
Who has the right?
Who has the right to Mars? I don't know. Whoever gets there first and makes their stake and puts the effort into colonizing it. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Let me grab an action button right here.
How do you feel about utilitarianism?
Utilitarianism?
Yeah.
I don't know. There's some point where you start to lose what I think of anyways as fundamental aspects of like humanity if you go too utilitarian. And I don't think it really works with humans.
What's the answer to the trolley problem then?
That's where I thought you were going to go with it.
Yeah.
The answer to the trolley problem, I think, is not to do anything. Because I think it's a moral wrong for me to choose to specifically sacrifice someone for other people without it not being their own choice. Even if it saves more people, I don't know, it doesn't fit within my moral framework.
What if it's a trolley barreling at you and you can pull a lever to kill somebody else? Do you do it?
This is a hard question. Depends on who it is, if I'm being honest. Because, like, self-preservation is a real kicker, you know? I could say one thing, but if you're actually in the situation, who knows how you're gonna act? It's just I'm having hesitancy on it.
Some random boy adult man from India.
These are... I don't know. That's...
You've never met him in your life. Maybe
I
he's from China.
don't know. It'd be really hard.
What if he's Nepali?
What? I don't know what that means.
He's from Nepal.
Oh, I don't know how that changes anything.
Okay, that's good. What if he's white?
I don't know how that changes
Good,
anything.
good. What if he's gay?
Just kidding. I don't know how that changes anything. What am I doing? Left button image? That's not even relevant. Let's go ahead and comment this out. Ooh, I'm missing all my hotkeys, so I'm gonna have to reach up there. What does that look like, by the way? Unable to resolve module? Why do I have a module? What is that? Assets.sound? Why do I... Oh. Yeah, that should not be there. We should not have this navigate in here either. I'm fine with the on-press, though. Cannot find variable colors. Do I have colors in there? Oh.
You need a dab?
No. Here is a color that I think is very nice. Okay, you guys can all write home to how good this color is. Shoot, what is the color? It's like a really nice red.
Red?
No, it's a really nice red.
Scarlet.
Oh, it's a really, really nice red.
Maroon?
Is it D5, D5, D5? No. No, that would be like a gray. That doesn't make any sense. I can't remember.
Cardinal?
No.
Carmine?
No, I don't know it by the name.
Cinnabar?
No, not crimson. No, okay, it's a very specific red that I like a lot.
Rust?
This is gonna have to be thought about for a second,
Vermilion?
because this is highly important.
Garnet?
I probably wrote it down somewhere. No, I really like this red. Okay, this is it. I really like D5, not D5, D5, D5. It's D50000. So like a pure red, but it's a little dark. Look at that. That is a great red. Do you see that on the stream? Do you see that red for that button? That's a beautiful red. That is my favorite red in the whole world. So that's a great red. That's a great red. That's just a fantastic red. No arguing. It's just great.
Okay, it came out. That's a nice red.
It is a very nice red. Yeah.
I mean, are you going to use the same color scheme that you used for coupon chase though?
Yeah, I mean, notes should be taken with red, right?
I don't know.
Like, red the note. However, I do think that should be on the opposite side. How do I get it on the opposite side? I don't know.
How do you feel about D60000?
D6? That would just not be right. That would just not be right.
What about B7, B7, B7?
That's like gonna be like a... What is that, like gray?
What about B70000?
I don't know what B7000 would be. My thoughts on D60000 is that it's probably some kind of normie trash. Can't hold up to D50000. D500 is, quite frankly, where it's at. Yeah. I didn't choose the rules. That's just the way the universe is.
Back to the topic of politics and philosophy.
Back to the topic of politics and philosophy. Alright.
Should Assange be pardoned?
I don't know what he did. I don't remember that name.
He's WikiLeaks.
He's WikiLeaks?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know everything around him, but, like, I have no problem with WikiLeaks. I also have no problem with, is it Edward Snowden? Yeah.
What
no
about
problem with
the Pirate Bay guy?
Ooh, the Pirate Bay guy is a little bit of an interesting story.
Oh, no, it was the Silk Road guy, that's the one. Maybe below.
I was also thinking about Silk Road when you said Pirate Bay, so that's kind of funny. Because his name was Dread Pirate Roberts. That was his screen name. So there's kind of an overlap there. Oh, hey, look at that! I just got a notification saying Trump issues more than 140 pardons.
Well, who to?
I don't know. You should see. Did Snowden just be able to get pardoned while we were talking about it? That'd be pretty dope. I'm changing position. Alright, friends.
You know, I doubt it.
That'd be... Why? Why not? Why not?
Because Trump got cucked by the rhinos.
What? The Fatigue says Ross Ulbricht, founder of the Silk Road, should be pardoned. I kind of agree with you because, I don't think anything dealing with the Silk Road should be illegal. Like, that's like founding a platform that's like free speech and all that kind of stuff.
DMT stream.
DMT would be pretty cool. I've always wanted to try it. What was I saying? I probably should not advocate that online. But with the Ross Ulbricht thing, Ross Ulbricht? Is that his name? Russ Ulbricht. I don't know. There was that weird thing going on with him kind of ordering like a hit, but it was like a fake hit because it was kind of like set up. So I don't know. What's your opinions on that? The Foguet? Do you know how to say his name?
Fugeezy.
The Fugeezy. What is your opinion on that part? Because, yeah. Oh, Discord server. I should probably go into that again. It's been a while. And I miss all those guys. Like Yildrum Tum. Yeah.
Pardon, Paul Manafort.
I don't know who that is.
Roger Stone. Charles Kushner.
I don't... all these names sound familiar.
George Papadopoulos. And Alex van der Swan.
So...
I think these are all people just like connected to Trump so far. Duncan Hunter, Chris Collins, and Steve Stockman. Mike Flynn. I thought you already pardoned him.
So apparently Ross's mom says that the government faked evidence and refuses to hear an appeal. That does suck.
Oh yeah, that's totally true.
That's totally corrupt. That's totally wrong.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all over shit. I don't think he was even actually connected to the Silk Road.
We founded it. But also, like, I don't think there should be a problem with founding it.
There's definitely fake evidence. I don't. Maybe he wasn't actually Dread King Roberts or Dread Pirate.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought he was Dread
I
Pirate
remember.
Roberts.
There was something. There was something.
Well,
Let's see.
then sure, I'd
Nicholas
advocate for him to be
Latin.
free.
Joe Arpaio. Conrad M. Black. Rod Blagojevic. I don't know. Hard name.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Dinesh D'Souza. That's good. Dinesh got in trouble for like illegal campaign contributions because he donated like a few thousand over to one of his buddies.
Sure.
But it's the kind of thing that like insider politicians do all the time. They
Oh.
just like know how to get around the rules.
Interesting. All right.
The Edward DeBartolo.
I'm kind of sad that I haven't heard. I was really hoping that Snowden would be pardoned.
I was too. Alice Marie Johnson.
That's too
that was
bad.
a while back.
That's too bad.
Jack Johnson, Susan B. Anthony. What?
All right.
He pardoned Susan B. Anthony. Okay. And Zay Jeffries. Bernard Carrick.
So,
Scooter Libby.
we are going to add in, as we're going on with these various conversations, just to add back direction to the app, because right now we just have like a bubble that you can click on. We have another button down here for like adding notes. So that's kind of nice, I guess. We're going to go ahead and make an array so that when we hit the button, actually, before we make the array, let's make the pop-up. Pop-up is going to be a modal. So I forgot where that, I think that gets imported from here. Modal, yep.
Wait, they said there was not 140 people on that list. I don't know what's up.
I will try to, I'll try to give you high quality work at the Great North. However, I am probably losing my mind as I'm going on here. So, we'll continue along with that.
Well, you know who you should
Oh,
work?
that's why, it's like completely offset. What'd you say?
John McAfee.
I don't know who John McAfee
John
is.
McAfee?
Is that like software?
Yeah, he created McAfee antivirus.
He's in jail?
No, he's not in jail. He's in Belize.
Why?
Maybe no, he might not be there anymore. He got in trouble with the US or something.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
Huh.
People think he might have like ordered a hit on his next door neighbor.
Thank you for the
killing
mute.
his dog.
Oh. Like,
He's also a little loopy.
but like if someone killed my dog, like, you do that in the state of Nevada.
You'd order a hit on them?
Like in the state of Nevada, that's legal. Did you know that?
To order a hit on somebody?
To literally kill them.
Oh, if they kill your dog.
In Nevada, if someone kills your dog, you are allowed to kill them.
Let's move to Nevada.
Yeah, it sounds fair. I don't
Then
want
you
to.
can get like a whole bunch of like really aggressive dogs that people hate.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the end of that.
I'll turn down the music a bit. Some people are complaining. Here you go, friends. Is that quieter for you guys now? I'm not actually sure. Because I think you guys are just picking it up from my microphone, going out of my TV, out of my monitor. What was I doing? What's going on here?
Well, Gandhi heads back, wants to know the same thing. What's happening?
That's what I'm wondering. That's just what I was thinking. It's kind of lost my train of thought. I don't even know what's going on anymore. We're making a modal. We're making a modal. That's what I was doing.
Are you cold?
No, I'm not really cold.
People say POG for the OSRS music.
I don't know.
POG.
I don't know what that means.
POG is when something is totally poggers.
What is poggers?
When something's really pog.
Jeez.
It's play of the game.
Play. Oh. Okay. Cool. Cool. Let's go ahead and add in some modals because modals are cool. So we are going. Let me find where I put.
Yeah, you're gonna want to do this. You're gonna want to disaggregate blended opinions with a laser-like focus.
What?
To streamline your revenue streams.
Sorry. Do what?
I don't know.
Disaggregate. Streamline opinions.
Yeah, disaggregate blended opinions with laser-like focus.
I see. Okay, So we are now making a, what are we doing? We're making a modal. Okay, a modal is the thing that's gonna pop up when you click that plus button, because that's gonna be where you type in your next task and how long it's going to be. So let's do set, we're gonna call it create task visible, and set create task.
Take off your skin.
What?
I don't know. Let's try one level lower than that. Take off your shirt.
No. Okay, there we go. We have create task visible and set create task visible. So, so this will allow us to toggle the modal up and down. So, set create task visible. It'll be false after we click off of it. We have no sound player here in this app. Delay press in 0. That means it's just going to act instantaneously. For some reason, you have put on a fun hat. I don't have any fun hats. Oh, good luck on that Spark Gap Tesla coil. Email me if you need any help with that. Nirvana211. I'd be happy to help with anything I can do. Yeah. Let's go ahead and make this on press toggle. The on press is going to be set create task visible, and we are going to set it to be true on tap. And now we need to make another component.
Can we get a shout out to Nick Gers?
Nick Gers, you have a shout out. Have a, yeah. There you go. Nick Gers, you're doing good. We're very proud of you. Keep up the good work.
What if Nick Gers is a Nazi?
Oh, that'd be unfortunate. That'd be quite unfortunate. Okay, friends. Okay. Oh, nice books you've read. I have a bookshelf back there. You guys can see it. It's full of all kinds of nice books. Cubism. Q-B-I-S-M. That's a pretty good book. So, I'll maybe check it out. I have a copy of it. Very good. Would recommend. 10 out of 10. Anyways, we need to make another component. This component is going to be called... Hey Mason, what should I call this component?
Mr. Poopy Butthole.
Okay, I'm not calling it that. We are going to call this component set the task
Nick,
dot...
have you read the Three Body Problem trilogy?
Trilogy? No, I know what the three body problem is, but I don't know it in terms of a trilogy thing.
I think it's like a sci-fi series.
Oh.
Could be totally wrong.
Yeah, and art style is cubism, but this is like Q-B-I-S-M. It's on qubits, like quantum computing.
Speaking of
pretty
Q,
good.
What are your thoughts on QAnon?
I don't know a lot about QAnon, if I'm being honest.
What are your thoughts about pedophile conspiracies in the highest ranks of our government?
Like, seems blatant.
Yeah?
Sure, why not?
Obviously.
Obviously,
Did Epstein kill himself?
no, he did not. Like, everyone knows that.
I mean, that's pretty obvious.
It is pretty obvious that it's not.
Just so you guys all know, the reason Biden doesn't have any fights with Jeffrey Epstein is because he has his own private island just a few miles away.
Thank you, Mason. Thank you, Mason. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. All right. What? Well, what is it?
Nothing.
All right. We are going to go ahead and use not user items, of course. Whoops, you guys cannot see the screen I'm looking at. My apologies. We're creating a new modal. All right, brand new modal. There's a good methodology I like to use for these modals, and we are going to use this as my template. This is one I made a while ago for.
Can you give
Also
out,
for the coupon app.
A shout out to Jenna.
Sure. Jenna, here's your shout out.
Her name is Jenna Tools.
Okay, I'm not saying that. I understand that. Yeah. Okay. Alright.
All right, here it is. Here it is. Look at it. Be proud. Now we can trim it down because this is all code that none of you guys need to see. We have a thing to open up maps here. We don't need that. Click on Redeem Press. This is not a redeem thing. We don't need any of this was visible stuff. We're also going to delete all of this because nothing needs to be passed into it.
Nate, what is this app supposed to do?
This is a productivity app, supposedly.
What does it do, though?
You just make your tasks.
In what way? Can you give the explanation again?
Okay. Here's the explanation again. Wait, why?
What do you mean, why?
Okay. Basically, on this app, we're allowing you to. This is just for fun because I like to schedule out my day, just one task after another, straight down the line. So I don't want programs that have to make me say like, oh, manually put in 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. for scheduling a task. I just want to say the duration and the task I'm doing, and then have it auto fill it in compactly for me. That's effectively what's going on here. Yeah. Let's go ahead and delete out all of these things because they are quite silly. We can use icons, so that's kind of nice. Countdown component, that's not even important here. So let's go ahead and delete that. We also don't have this barcode component. We don't need this. So now we're just returning the view. We have touchable without feedback. On press button. That is actually important. Let's go ahead and put that back. Because that closes out the modal. Basically, we're passing that function forward. Oh, Nirvana 211 says they're going to sleep. Have a good night's sleep. Thank you for joining in. Yeah. Thank you very much. Sure, the app can remind you about tasks. Why not? However, we probably don't do that tonight, considering how slow I've been going for programming this.
Sorry.
No. Like, it's more fun that way. I wasn't actually expecting to do much, I'm being honest.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Okay. So we have this touchable without feedback. That's good. This is going to be behind the modal because I like to click off of it. Winter back. This is absolute cover. Then I just want effectively this card area. So let's scroll down to where it goes to. We can delete everything inside of here, I'm pretty sure. We don't need it.
Nate,
We
did you already
definitely
answer
don't
this
need
one? Will the app remind you about a task?
Sure. What is this? Oh, that's also spelled wrong. It should be modal. Whatever. This does not need to be here. So, with this here, let's go ahead and look at what that looks like. We have set the task. Let's go ahead and call this set the task. And down here at the very bottom, we have to change this to set the task. Wonderful. Let's go back into dayscreen.js and import set the task. Import set the task from anyways, set the task. We are going to import that from components / set the task. Wonderful. In here, this is just going to be set the task. Wonderful. Now, if I'm not mistaken, when we hit shoot, cannot find variable colors. Ooh, is colors referenced in there? That's unideal. Yes, it is. Alright. We are just going to do... That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Let me grab my old colors object and I'll just throw it in. Because that's all it is.
How is the program going to know when the first start time is?
It'll allow you to put it there.
Okay.
However, you're right. I haven't actually talked about that. We'll add some logic. We'll add some logic to make it visible. So this is going to be my const colors. We'll just throw this in here so that it doesn't hate me. There we go. Very good. Cannot find variable. Set the task. Oh, I spelled something incorrectly.
You should plug your Discord.
Oh,
You have a dislike.
I have a dislike?
Oh.
No. That's unfortunate. That's quite unfortunate. Oh well. Cannot find variable items visible? Why?
Those are kind of interesting. Visionaries like Gordon Moore and Bono believe that feature creep is more elegant than C bookmarks. Thoughts?
What? I am not actually sure at all what you're talking about,
Feature
or what
creep
that is.
and C bookmarks. Bono, Gordon Moore.
What?
Hey, if you don't get it, you don't get it.
I don't get it.
Maybe neither.
I really don't get it. Alright, we have create task visible. That's going in here, friends. Touchable without feedback. What? Is that not there? No, I suppose it wouldn't be. However, I don't... I don't think this has to be here, because we just built it into our thing anyways. There we go. So now if we hit this, up comes the modal, and we can... Whoops. This needs an on press, and what happens when we press it, we want to call our dummy function here, and the dummy function is going to say set create task visible to false. There we go. Now look at this, friends. You can see that I didn't do something correctly. Oh!
Dude,
What?
Trump pardoned Lil Wayne.
Lil Wayne?
Yeah.
I didn't know he was in jail.
I don't know what it did.
Neither do I. Alright, look at this. Now we can click this button, it'll bring up this modal with this nice shadow CSS. Alright? Not CSS, it's just style. It's just I don't know. It's just styling. We can click it and it brings up this modal here. So, this is where we're gonna have the inputs of task information. Yeah. I think that sounds good. Also, look at that terrible thing. 0:010 for the time. I thought I said less than or equal to before. Apparently not. Oh, why equal? That should just be less than. There we go. Much better. Of course, it changed to 11, so we didn't actually test it, but pretty sure it's good. Alright. Yuzuri Kuresh wants me to tell you guys about my first programming job and what I have to do and how did I get the job. So I work as a software developer for Angel Studios. I don't do any of this React native stuff. I do stuff in Vue and Django. Websites, effectively. Yeah. And then my other company that not my other company, because Angel Studios is not my company, I just work there. But my company that I started up is called Coupon Chase. So if we go here, I can show you guys couponchase.com. Here it is. It's effectively it's supposed to be a game. The app's already out there, so you guys can download it and check it out. But it won't have anything there because companies need to go on in your area and put down coupons, and I just barely launched this yesterday. And I'm only getting companies right now in the in like Utah County area. So it'll be a while before it becomes useful for any of you. But it's kind of like Pokemon Go, but with coupons. So you go around, you can collect them at geolocations that the company can go in and and place them down. So that's effectively what I've been doing. Yeah. Do you like my beautiful 40? Have you ever seen my 404 page, Mason? Look at this. Look at this terrible thing. Type it in. But what happens when you scroll down below the 404? You might be wondering. Look at this beautiful program. This is JavaScript. It's a bunch of rotating triangles, and it makes this really cool illusion. I really like it. It's kind of below the footer, so you're not going to find it, but I think it's really beautiful. You see that?
Oh, yeah, I see it now. That's pretty cool looking.
Oh, is there some kind of lag going on?
Yeah, all streams have lag.
Alright, that's fine. I think it's really beautiful. I could watch it for a long time. And also, you can go battle. I probably shouldn't click on that because then it will show where I live. So, yeah. Anyways, we have modal. Let's add some text fields because that's what we're going to need to do. We're going to need a slider or like some kind of thing to indicate the number of minutes that it's going to take. Yeah, let's just add a minute field and a text field. That's all we need.
Do you know
That's all we need.
Turner Classic Movies?
What?
Turner Classic Movies?
I don't know what Turner Classic Movies are. What's that?
I think it's a cable channel that just like plays classic movies, typically like black and white movies.
Okay.
But tomorrow, as in today, January 20th, every single movie that they're showing has the word Joe in the title.
That's interesting.
Ode to Billy Joe, Polo Joe, The Fabulous Joe, The Story of G.I. Joe.
That's kind of weird.
Joseph American, A Guy Named Joe, Paul Joey,
That's
Mighty Joe Young.
that's really weird, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Wait. Oh. Wait. Is inauguration day today or something?
Tomorrow. That,
And they're playing. Okay. Well, that's interesting.
you know,
Yeah. Mark L says, add encryption to your database so the world cannot see the sinful tasks ahead of me. That's kind of funny. However, there'll be no database here. Well, actually, there'll be a local database.
wait, look at what
Some-
Fogidi said.
Huh? We must finish the specifications that a lightweight hack is compatible with the Python context.
Don't you think that would be a good idea?
Man, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. What's going on?
Yeah.
No? Alright, you need another space after the colon? What are you talking about? It's all functioning as fine as I've coded it so far. Like, obviously it's not very functional, but I don't know what you mean by that.
When is your next video coming out?
Maybe 2 weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks. I don't know. Yeah, right now I've been focusing on launching companies. Because if we can make a lot of money, think about all the science we can do. We can do lots of science. Like, lots of science.
Dude, you've been streaming for 2 hours.
Whoa. Alright, I was making text inputs. I don't remember what it's called. Let's go ahead and look at React Native text inputs. React Native text input. Is it just called text input? Probably.
Oh, actually, the thing I was saying about Joe on Classic Turner Movies, whatever. Starting at 8 o'clock, every movie has the word murder in it.
What? So it has Joe up until 8 o'clock?
Mighty Joe Young is the last one at 8 o'clock. And then we get Murder She Said, Murder at the Gallup, and Murder Most Foul. So it's Joe, murder.
Okay, that's kind of spooky. That's kind of spooky, isn't it? Let's go to the... Thank you, Shantu. I appreciate that. I appreciate that very much. All right. Yeah, that's kind of spooky. What does the chat have to say about that? That's the real question. That's the real question. Anyways, on set the tasks. what was I on text input? On set the task, right here. Let's go ahead and get a text input. Interesting. On text input, let's add in a couple text inputs right here. So this is the inside of the card that we created. Let's add text input. Let's go back and look at that right there. I just take that. Let's see what that does. Looks fine to me. It's kind of interesting that it says useless placeholder. Alright, fair enough. Let's just take their text input. And then we'll add our own CSS on it at some point. Okay. So here we have a text input, friends. Do you like it? Do you like it, Mason? You probably can't even see it yet. Cool. Border width. I actually want I want a border radius on here. So let's go ahead and have border width. You should never have border width, okay? We live in a world where you're not supposed to have borders anymore on like app development, you know? You know, no bezels. No bezels. If there's bezels on it, it does not look sleek. That's just the reality that we live in here. Yeah, let's go ahead and add that. But then you're wondering, how do we add a border? Because that's always nice, of course. Well, we don't add a border. What we do is we add a border shadow. I thought border shadow was a thing.
Matt wants you to smoke weed on stream.
I don't own any. We'll do a shadow radius, and that will also be 14.
How do you make money from your coupon app?
Sorry?
Did you already answer that? How do you make money from the coupon app?
Someone else asked that?
Oh, it must have been the first ask. I wasn't paying attention for a second.
Oh, I haven't seen anyone ask. I haven't even been watching.
No.
I make money from the coupon app through in-app purchases and through companies placing coupons. However, it's going to be free for companies for a while. But hopefully at some point, I'll flip it over to cost a very cheap amount. Something much cheaper than... something much cheaper... Much cheaper than...
Our competitors?
than our competitors.
You don't want to say that name.
Than Google ad platforms. Said their name.
Ew.
Yeah, and YouTube and Facebook ads and all those things. Something much cheaper than that. Yeah.
Let's see. So if we do a modal MongoDB, it has a market cap principle. What? Honestly, I don't understand that one.
Huh. Very strange. We need some more state variables. That's what these guys are called.
What framework are you using?
React Native. Or React Native has a React framework with I don't know what it is.
Can you see the link that I sent in chat?
I
Might have gotten blocked.
think it got blocked.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. What was I doing? We need state variables, friends. Okay? So as we said before, state variables, whenever they're changed, they cause a complete re-render of the page. So, inside this state variable, it's going to store the value of what we have in that text input. So we're going to have const, and let's call the state variable, I don't know, set num min, for like set num minutes. Whoops. Let me actually do it in this format. You do the setter afterwards. This should just be num min, and we're going to set that equal to use state, and by default it will be, I don't know, 0? Why not? Actually, by default it's just going to be empty. It's just going to be empty string. And then down here, we will do value is equal to nummin question mark. So if nummin is not empty, if nummin has like an actual value there, then we'll display nummin. Else, we want to display the value set number of minutes. Cool. So now if we go look at what we have here, we click on it, set number of minutes. We can click on it here. We can, geez, on change text, what is that? Whoops, that is definitely supposed to be set nummin. Okay, so now you can see we can sit here and we can type, and we can type, we can type, we can type, and we're filling up the text input. Very good. Let's delete all that nonsense. Now that is not a well-defined little typey area, is it? It's a very sad typey area, actually. And we don't want that to be a value. We kind of want it to be just a placeholder. So let's go ahead and at least change some of the. Let's put like a view object around this. And let's put the text input.
Are you going to be
view.
checking people's GPS, or are you allowing people to fake their location?
On Coupon Chase?
Mm-hmm.
I am not checking people's GPS. I don't really care. If people want to teleport and farm coupons, like, I don't know. Companies only care that you use them. And if you're just making it like available for people to use on like the in-app economy I have there, you can go ahead and do it. I'm not gonna put in. Also, anti-location spoofing is notoriously hard to implement. You know, you even have huge companies like Niantic. People geolocation spoof all the time on that. They don't get caught. It's like you kind of have to watch on the back end server to see. Oh shoot, this person was right here. Now they're requesting it from way over here. So someone has to mess up that much, and then you have to make like an educated guess. So, yeah. Yeah, that's kind of it.
You should revamp and reboot your interactive logistical contingencies.
I don't know what that means. What's...
Dylan says that you're not cute anymore.
That's
He wants
sad.
to know if you're still single.
I am not single.
Sorry, Dylan.
Alright, let's go ahead and throw this in here, friends.
I mean, I think you're cute relative to when you were a 12-year-old, so...
That's fair. That's fair. Control Z, Control Z. What did I mess up? This is all part of the style. Got it.
Can you remove emoji support from your app?
Remove emoji support?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Can you believe that you still have 30 people watching this?
Honestly, I can't. I'm just... That is very strange, isn't it? It's very strange.
Do you think we can get to 100 likes?
Can we get to 100 likes? If we can get to 100 likes, then I can go to sleep. But until then, looks like here we are. Am I in Discord?
What's your Discord
Am I
server?
in my Discord? It's called like Keystone Science or something.
Do you have a link?
It's been a long time since I've been there. I should really go there. Oh, also word wrap much? Oh, I totally need to turn on word wrap. You are absolutely correct. Yes, you are absolutely correct. What was I doing? Oh, I was gonna put this this view object here for some reason. And I was going to do like a background color to differentiate it. And I was gonna set the background color to be D5, D5, D5. That's probably a good gray. Let's take a look at it.
Ephraim wants to know, did you change from hardware to software?
No, software is just fun. I'm just relaxing.
Was hardware fun?
Hardware is also fun. Here's the thing. Here's the thing I have to say about that. So homogenized management programming. so I'm trying to start a few companies because I want to make money so that I can do have big science companies and work on things that are really important to me.
Elon Musk 2.0.
No, not quite that. I just want I just really want to be able to write mined data effectively to computers. That takes a lot of money. So the plan to get there first starts off with four digital companies I have planned. Coupon Chase is the first one. Who knows how well that will do. I probably shouldn't say the other ones because they're special ideas. Anyways, I have these four.
You can broadly say like a social media app.
Okay, sure. With Coupon Chase, we have a social media app, we have a money management app, for a specific subset that does not really have a money management app, to hopefully take over that market a little bit. And what was the last one? Jeez, I can't remember. Anyways, and then a fourth one, and those are supposed to be digital products because hardware has a much higher startup cost than digital goods do, especially because like I'm just programming this, and on the second one, Mason and I are going to program, and like my brother has been programming with me on Coupon Chase. So obviously, opportunity cost, which is just like the amount of time you're putting into it, that's a cost. But I'm not going to go bankrupt from that because I just do it in my spare time after work. Work from 9 to 5 on regular employed work, and then work from 7 a.m. to 9 on side companies, and work from 5 to 1, more like to 10:30 p.m. on side companies. And that's kind of been how the flow is going. So anyways, you have these backyard scientist request, accept your friend request. That's really nice. He's a really nice guy, actually. Kevin is very, very nice. He's such a cool guy. But once you get done with these four startups that I'm doing that are all in digital software landscape, then I hope to move into hardware, because hardware is definitely where it's at next. But like I said, the higher startup cost, and so that starts off with a few different companies. One of them is going to be called Chameleon. One of them is going to be called, I don't know if I say the name of the other one, then it kind of gives away the invention of it, I guess. But basically, we'll say a window company. It's not really Windows, but it is somewhat. Matt. Yes, I have actually. I've talked to him a long time ago. So now I'm tangenting over to respond to Matt, who is asking if I've talked to Kevin. So first off, he gave me like a shout out a while ago, and I've talked to him like in chat rooms and in comments. And I talked to him once on the phone when I was at Grant Thompson, which is like the King of Random guy, before he died in that paramotor. Before he died in a paramotoring accident. It was over at Grant Thompson's house, and we were talking to Kevin on the phone because Kevin's down in Florida, but Grant Thompson and I lived like a couple towns away from one another. So, yeah. Oh no, it is not Solar Windows. But it is a fun kind of window thing that I think would be very, very nice. I think it'd be very, very nice. And then hopefully from there, hopefully there's enough money to do the big picture items, which is going to be that brain machine interfacing, copying data to the computers. That'd be very, very nice. That'd be very, very nice. Yeah.
Will we be cascading memos about our revenue contingencies?
I don't know what that means.
Guess that's a no.
Guess that's a no. Yeah. All right. Where were we, friends? Hey, we're at 95 likes now.
Hey!
How did that happen? I was just completely blanked out of it for a good 10 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the likes. I appreciate that. This music has been playing for so long. Like, before the stream started, I'd already been playing it for 3.5 hours.
Yeah, I just realized what our problem is.
What?
We haven't been getting super chats because we're reading the non-super chat comments.
I mean, maybe, but yeah, that's how it goes. All right, friends. All right, we need to obviously fix up the styling on this text input because that is complete trash. Let's start by adding some padding. So padding will allow us to also watch this, friends. Watch this. If I do Command S, watch this, everyone. Watch this. I have a thing called Prettier, so it'll auto format it and make it real nice. So format on save. Let's select that. Then if we go back here, let's go ahead and Command S. Look at that, beautiful, nice and styled. Isn't that? That is so freaking nice. That is so freaking nice. I love it so much. It's fantastic, really. Okay, the style of this. Let's go ahead and add some padding to it.
Word wrap.
What does that mean?
Also, only geeks stuck in the 90s still go for balanced administrative mobility. You don't know what word wrap is?
I don't know what word wrap is.
You have to wrap words.
What?
Your words should wrap.
Should wrap what?
I don't know.
Fair enough. So apparently D5, D5. So if I set it to this, that should be black. That should be very easy to see. It's not there. Height is 40. Why isn't it there? What did I do incorrectly this time? I thought... Oh, first off, that should have a hashtag in front of it.
Mark said that you knew what word wrap was before, but now you don't.
Really? Oh. Word wrap. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. Gosh, I'm sorry. It has been a very long day, and my brain is starting to typo in back face visibility. Thank you. Thank you very much. That should be background color. Thank you. That'll do it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That is absolutely it. I know what word wrap means. He's saying that he wants the length of the string. He needs it to wrap because obviously it just keeps on going. Thank you. I am very tired apparently. Let's go ahead and set a width on that because I don't.
Very tired. Apparently, I'm Mason.
Oh, nice to meet you. All right, friends. Let's go ahead and put a width on here. And that width.
You should grow a beard.
I don't know.
That's not coming from Chad. That's coming from me.
I don't think I can. I don't think I can.
No.
Yeah, it's too hard.
Okay.
Or I can, but. Let's change
Cool.
that to.
Chat wants to know, for the coupon app, are you going forward with your plans to implement systemized transitional options?
I don't know what that means. I really don't.
Which word are you stuck on?
Mark L fully endorses a beard. That's nice. Oh, what word am I stuck on?
Yeah.
Let's take it word by word.
Are you going
Okay, got it.
forward with your
Got it.
plans to implement
Got it.
systemized
Okay.
transitional
Okay.
options?
Okay, what are transitional options?
I don't know. This is your plan, not mine.
This is my plan?
Yeah, that's what Fogiti said.
Oh. I see.
I don't know.
Fair enough.
Are you using Flutter?
I am not using Flutter. No, I am using React Native. Which is just my preferred thing of choice.
98 likes.
Wow. That's pretty good. Need to add in comma.
You have a typo in background color.
Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah. That was it. Background color is fixed. Also, that background radius is way too in everyone's face. Let's go ahead and turn that down, like, to 5. That's a little nicer. Let's go ahead and align self. That's nice.
99.
99 likes? It's only, no, it's at 98 and 2 thumbs down now. Is at 98 and 2 thumbs down now.
It's at 99 in 2000. 100.
What are you talking about? I have the thing running right here. 99
I'm
and 2
looking
thumbs
at it
down.
right now. We have 101 likes.
Really? Oh, it's at 100. Look at that. We got. Okay, I guess you're a little bit ahead of me. Well, we just barely got the
I don't
set
know
number of
how to do
minutes. Yeah. This should not look like this. This is absolutely horrendous, Mason. This is completely horrendous. What am I doing?
I don't
This
know.
is completely. That is not at all what it should be.
I feel like the solution can only be parallel policy processing.
What is going on, man?
What's the tool chain?
What is going on?
What's going on? I don't know.
What's going on? I just want to. Okay. Here's what I want. We want to look for their wrap content. Is that a thing? Wrap. You can wrap it in a view. We want React native. What would you say? Wrap text. I don't know. What is the field for it? Imagine this is gonna say the field. Flex wrap. I'm guessing that's it. Flex shrink. I don't know. I also want React Native text input. Good.
Ultra Games says, "Good night, good luck with the apps. Thank you for the stream." Thank you, Ultra Games.
Thank you, Ultra Games. You have a good night too. Thank you for coming on. I should probably head to bed too as well soon. I'm gonna head to bed.
Everybody, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell.
Hit that bell icon, I guess.
Smash like.
Yeah. It turns out I'm very slow at programming when we're talking. I'm normally not this slow, believe it or not.
I feel like this is at least 97% my fault.
No, it's okay. It's fun. It's fun. This looks terrible. I'm actually envisioning that it should more be like a black line on the app with like big text for setting the minutes, and then down here a big text field for you to write what it is, and then effectively you set it, and then we'll have like a check mark thing here that you can hit, and if you hit the check mark, then it appears line by line, and this thing here will show a red line and show where it's at. But evidently I'm very slow.
Space Invader wants to know, why are you programming a productivity app? I'm guessing the ones that exist don't have the features you want.
Oh, wait, Markel says you keep me up till 3 a.m. and leave me. That's really sad. This is making me feel like I gotta wait up with him. I don't know.
Never read the comments. The comments are full of haters.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Okay, we won't go to bed until you give us permission, Mark.
I won't go to... Wait, what? Jeez.
It's
Maybe.
not even 1 o'clock.
It's not 1 o'clock. I just have to go to bed at... I was supposed to make my schedule for the day. I normally do that at 12:50.
Oh, shoot.
But look, I don't have a schedule making app, so how am I supposed to do that?
Well, do you have any interest in neuroscience?
What? Oh, I have interest in neuroscience. You gotta believe it. Yeah, neuroscience is really cool. It's like what we were saying. Is the brain a machine? Probably. Like, go neuron by neuron. Okay, what happens if I replace one of your neurons with a transistor? What's going on with that? You know, are you a human still? Probably. Like, we have hearing aids. Hearing aids do that. Sure, you're a human. Let's keep on replacing those neurons with more and more transistors. Eventually, like, where's the line?
General Grievous.
Eventually, you're General Grievous. Where's the line? Looks like you are always. Looks like the human is isomorphic to the transistor brain. I guess that's all it can be. Yeah.
Don't we lose consciousness at some point, though?
Why? What point would that be? Like, how could you draw the line? Because unless you're constituting that, like, a single neuron defines the difference between consciousness and consciousness and machine.
Maybe
I don't
it's
know.
like a mass distribution thing.
Maybe I can't see it happening. Yeah.
Space Invader is hitting you with a fat dislike. Says that they are better than you at programming.
Thank you, Space Invader.
Ooh, in relation to neuroscience, it looks like your app transferred cloaking and biogenic subcarrier waves with the capacity thruster.
With the capacity thruster?
Yeah,
What does this mean?
we're going to go to Mars.
We're gonna go to Mars? That's nice.
How cheap would it have to be for you to buy the ticket to Mars?
I don't really care about Mars. What? Oh, to buy it. I don't really care about Mars. I don't really want to go there. Yeah, but like I think it's interesting to have
So-
humans be planetary species, but
this is a scale from positive to negative infinity.
you rating it. Oh, how expensive?
Like apparently zero isn't enough. Like negative dollars.
No, I would go to Mars given the option, but like it'd be quite a time commitment. And would I actually want to go to Mars? I don't know. Maybe I wouldn't. Maybe I wouldn't want to go to Mars.
If somebody paid you $1 million, would you go to Mars?
If someone paid me $1 million, would I go to Mars? No,
10 million?
no,
100 million.
yes.
Okay.
I would go to Mars for $100 million. I don't really want to go to. Ooh, Matt is saying something interesting now. He's saying, imagine you're in a simulation and everybody and everything is simulated except you and you're just an experiment. I wonder this quite often, actually. Yeah.
Nate, why do you think I was sent to you?
Oh, jeez.
Time for you to wake up.
It's time for me to wake up. Yeah. I mean, why not? Why not? If that's the only thing that I can really show, I guess it's the same. It makes no difference, really. Yeah.
Ooh, what if we had FPGAs in our brains?
FPGAs in our brains?
Yeah, so you could program it to do whatever you needed on the fly.
That'd be pretty nice.
Oh, IT is still here. Thank you, IT. You're the best.
Oh, IT. Yes. Thank you. I think you should hate on the commentators and play the AM version of your... It's still playing. It's not turning off, IT. Don't you worry. Like, it's got to get through the whole 10 hours at least. And we are only on... Where are we at? We're on 5 hours and 36 minutes. So, it'll play well into the night. Don't you worry. It's not going anywhere.
Dude, I totally agree with this. We are in the midst of an infinite enabling of hope that will become our stepping stone to the Nexus itself.
What?
Everything is possible in the future.
Hey, it's Darren DIY. I know this guy. I haven't seen him in a very long time. Also, it really likes the pirate music, and I agree with him. This is like some real music. You don't hear it on the radio because it's
It's too
quite
real.
frankly too good. It's too real. It's too good.
You should
this
put
is-
chat away.
This is what the human experience is. This is what the human experience is. That's what it is.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's what it is. Mark L says when the song is done, we can sleep. That is 5 hours from now, Mark L. That is
Wait,
5
this is
hours
a
from
10-hour
now.
song and we're 5 hours in?
Yes.
We've only been streaming for like 2 hours though.
Yeah, I've been listening to it for a lot. I was already listening to it for 3 hours before the stream. Okay. Okay. It's been playing. It's been playing with me for a while. Yeah. Yeah, it's really good music. It's really good music. It defines a lot of experiences.
I would give it a 5 out of 7.
That's pretty bad, actually.
No.
5 out of 7?
That's maximum score.
5 out of 7?
Yeah.
How's that maximum score?
That's the best you can do.
In music?
In anything.
The best you can do is 5 out of 7? I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, only pirate music. Yeah, we can turn it up for you guys, but
Yeah,
then,
if you look
then
up
we're
5
just
out
couldn't
of
hear
7
Mason.
on Urban Dictionary, it is defined as being a perfect score.
Wow. I guess that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good, actually. I would love a perfect score. I would absolutely love a perfect score. All alone together under surveillance is not a strategy. What are you talking about?
Like what's going on?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I don't know either. What I know is that I absolutely hate this text input. I think that looks complete trash.
Me?
Oh, not you. No. The text input.
Oh.
The text input is complete trash. First off, this is no longer going to be the enter the number of minutes. This is going to be set enter task details. I have a different idea now for the set number of minutes.
But shouldn't the set number minutes be like that scroll time wheel thing that Apple has?
Oh, that'd be great. How do I do that? That would be totally great.
I mean, it has to work cross-platform, but there's going to be something out there.
There totally is. You're absolutely correct. And this is actually going to be F5, F5, F5. I think that's going to be a more natural color for this.
Dude,
Yeah, I think that's better.
quantum is akin to summoning of the dynamic. Sharing is the deeper meaning of learning and of us.
Huh?
Right?
Sharing is the color of us? What are you talking about?
I don't know. You should change the color behind the text input, though.
Oh, I already did change it. The live stream's behind a little bit.
No, I don't know what you think.
No, it's okay. We're also going to decrease the shadow opacity a little bit to a cool 0.4.
Add sea shanty as background music for the app.
Oh! That's a great freaking idea! I love that. I love that.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Mark. That is a great idea. And that's going to be implemented. That's going to be implemented. You better believe it.
You're going to have to make a royalty-free version of it, though. We're fine.
Yeah. Okay. Some of you guys find me some royalty-free sea shanties that we can shove into this app. That'd be very good. That'd be very, very good. That'd make me quite happy. That's exactly what we need. It's not going to give you the option to mute because, like,
That would be unproductive.
that would be unproductive. You keep the sea shanty music on. That's how you get productive. Yeah. Yes, I 100% agree with you. I 100% agree with you. The music must stay on. The music must stay on. That's what it's for. That's what it's for. This is the nexus point.
Yeah, the party don't stop. It just keeps
The
on
party,
going.
it don't stop. You're absolutely correct. You're absolutely correct. You've never been more correct in your entire life.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's great. Yeah, if you guys can find some royalty-free... Oh, Matt says he means changing it to a gray color scheme like Discord. That's probably better because white color scheme kind of sucks, doesn't it? Hurts your eyes. Hurting your eyes.
mode.
Guess what? Hurting your eyes is not productive. Is that
We need
productive?
dark mode.
No, it's not productive. That's definitely
Dark
not
mode,
productive.
dark mode,
This is a
dark
dog
mode.
toy, and you can put food into it, and the dog rolls it around, and the food falls at the top. So that's kind of interesting. But white mode is not productive because it hurts your eyes. It really does hurt your eyes. So I think before we even move forward with doing whatever I was doing, we got to change this, and we got to change it now. We got to find out that color scheme. We got to find out that color scheme. Mason, could you do me a favor? Could you look up the color scheme of Discord? Could you do like a color picker?
What?
Could you color picker Discord for me?
I don't know. I have no idea.
That's okay. I can do it.
Do you think they're going to kill Biden tomorrow?
You're talking about from that public thingamajig?
Yeah, and apparently National Geographic put out a sob story about the inauguration. And Ashley Biden has been talking about how she's worried for her father's safety.
Huh.
And teachers are being banned from streaming the inauguration.
That's weird.
That one's especially weird.
That is highly strange. Okay, everyone. We need 55, 57, 62. Okay? That is going to be the background color. 55, 57, 62. Alright, friends?
55, 57, 52. That's Discord's background color. And actually, I guess it should be. Okay, I take it back. I take it back, friends. I take it back. We need 47, 49, 54 to be the main background. Let's go ahead and let's actually take this fantasy. We need to put this on the main card. You know, you get what I'm saying, Mason?
What?
I said we're putting it on the main card.
Okay.
Um.
I'm reading about Biden.
Okay, you can read about Biden. That's okay.
No, it's not okay.
What? No, of course it's okay.
Ooh, viewers, how many of you were part of a gifted and talented program in elementary school? Okay, of those people, how many of you were sent to a room with no windows? Did your GATE program have no windows?
Oh. Space Invader says YouTube has been cracking down on any talk like that. Don't jeopardize your channel standing. That would be unideal.
That
That's
would
what
be.
Space
I'm
Invader
sorry.
says.
I will not talk about it anymore. Thank you.
Also, Mark L says he did not go to a room without windows. So your theory is not holding ground.
Okay.
All right. I was doing something just a second ago. I was looking for styles.card area. Everyone. Why do I have background color here twice? That's completely ridiculous. And also, this is going to actually be this color. No. Yes. Yes, it is. We want this to be 555762. Hashtag 555762. Cool. And the actual text, we want to be a slight lighter variant. Is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and change that. So let's copy this. Well, if only I had keyboard shortcuts. That'd be nice. And we are going to paste it here. That was already there. That was really silly. And we are going to make it a lighter variant. So, I don't know. Let's change it to... Let's just add 10 to everything. 6, 6, 7. There, I think it looks nice. That'll be the text input. And that means the text color has to be white, of course. Of course. Let's add that in the style. Style, text, color. I thought it was just text color. Maybe it's just color. Color is going to be white. Which I think I can just type in like that. Whoa, cannot find variable white. Okay, it doesn't like that. Let's just do colors dot white. Should like that. Cool. That looks much better. That's beautiful. I love that suggestion. Thank you so much. The background on the main app, that means it needs to be 47, 49, 54. 47, 49, 54. Let's go ahead and add that in. So that's going to be 47, 49, 54. Cool, we've entered the dark mode era. Beautiful. That's nice. I like that a lot more. So enter task details, we want that to be at the very bottom, though we'll deal with that after we insert in a selector wheel for the minutes. Oh, Mark L says he's found some great sea shanties, but he can't send the links on YouTube because they won't allow him. So that's really sad.
Send it in the Discord.
Yeah, send it in the Discord, and I'll join the Discord. Oh, and people have been talking about something. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. All right. Let's make the text area a little bit bigger, and allow the wrap text. I forgot how to wrap text, if I'm being honest. I think I just need to set a. No, that's not it. I think it has to do something with flex. I'm pretty sure it has to do something with flex. Yeah. Where were we? We were here. We're actually on here. We have the width, the height to be 40. We're actually going to change the height to be 50% of the interior. Great. We want this one to really be at the bottom. So let's go ahead and add a position and change it to absolute. And bottom will be 0. And that should align it to the bottom. Very good. Let's go ahead and save it so it auto formats. Wonderful. Now, of course, that should just be a preview. So that should actually be like text placeholder or something like that. I think. There should be some kind of placeholder here.
Have you seen the new Wonder Woman movie?
I have not seen the new Wonder Woman movie. Let's try that out.
David wants to know who your friend is.
Huh? Oh, my friend is Mason.
IT says I'm a freeloader. Kind of true.
We're gonna change this to be something important. Oh. Enter your task. That's what it should be.
25 people watching.
26 now.
Shame.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, people can just enjoy. People can just enjoy. Who doesn't love some good sea shanties on the high C? However, this is actually the high JavaScript. This is not C. It'd be much more fun if it was C.
Space Invader wants to know, what are we drinking, boys?
I would actually really love it if I could even just have some water. So maybe I'll take a water break in a second. Or like vinegar. I have some vinegar upstairs. That's some real good stuff.
I like what you're saying there, Liability. Birds aren't real. It's true. They were all government drones sent to spy on us. There used to be real birds.
Yeah, but that all ended with which era?
It probably would have been like the 60s. They might have done it as early as like the late 40s though.
It says the vaccine will turn us into pirates. Yeah. I think that's probably true. How could it not be true? I believe it. Do you believe it?
I believe it.
I believe it. I choose to believe.
You're right, Mark. They do work for the bourgeoisie.
Birds work for the bourgeoisie.
I mean, if by bourgeoisie you mean the government pedophile elite.
Oh, jeez. You're probably right. What did I just click on? I don't know. Alright, we have enter your text. We need to find the stupid minute. Why is this going so slow?
What's more likely to get you flagged as disinfo? Talking about the moon landing or talking about flat Earth?
Talking... I don't know. Probably... I don't know. Probably flat Earth? Because... Flat... Like, obviously that one is ridiculous. The moon landing thing.
Who knows?
I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? At the end of the day, who knows? Probably real. Because there's that thing saying about the parallel light rays, which wasn't apparently possible in back then studio lighting or something. But I don't know. I don't know. Oh, don't tell me good morning. It is nighttime. It is nighttime.
What time is it in the UK?
This app is to corner the pirate music industry. Yes. Yes. That's all I want. That's all I want.
Yeah,
I
for the
want...
Europeans, it's 8 a.m. in the UK.
Yeah.
I agree. We do want to corner the pirate music market.
Uh-huh. We do want to corner... We definitely want to corner the pirate music market. Otherwise, what's even going on? Also, what am I even doing? Let's see. I was gonna make a number scrolly wheel,
Yeah.
but
No, you look so tired.
I am very tired. But it's okay. I'm making a text input. I'm making a text. That's all I want to do. That's all I want to do. Just want to make a text input. All right.
Do you not have a text input yet?
I have a text input. I want a minute input. I'm very, very out of it.
Honestly, I don't understand your workflow. Because, like, if I was working, I would have made, like, bare bones versions of all of these and then worry about making it pretty.
No, pretty is very important because it encourages you to work along more. You're like, oh my gosh, I just made this pretty. That makes me feel so much better as I'm editing the rest of the app.
Okay, I can see that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my philosophy. That's my philosophy.
Oh, dude.
What?
Make it a GAN that will auto-generate pirate music.
Oh, that'd be really cool. I actually really like that. That'd be real neat. That'd be some real good stuff. Yes, that'd be quite good. Let's see. This one is going to be along the This one is going to be 40% of the screen. No need for a shadow. On this guy, no need for a border color.
Okay, I'm having a hard time parsing this. SARS-CoV-2 mutates into SARS-CoV-2. We know what the SARS-CoV-2 test is. We know what the pirate genome is. And no, you can't patent it.
Oh, geez. Like, I think that's pretty self-explanatory, Mason.
Oh, okay.
So I guess num minutes is now being used for tasks, so that's probably unideal. Alright, I probably should have copied the other one. Oh well.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of tinfoil hats, that's why Muslims and Jews have their religious hats.
What are you talking about?
It's to protect them from thoughts being sent to their minds from the sun.
Oh.
Sorry, not from the sun, from Saturn.
I didn't know that.
That's where the evil space demons live.
I thought they were like interdimensional space demons.
They are interdimensional, but they have a core behind Saturn.
Oh. All right. Sure. I'd really like some CSS on this text, because that'd just be quite nice. So let's see. Let's import in some text CSS, which we're gonna put down here. Boom. Let's throw this into our text style.
Hello, Geek Linux. Aeon Vidya wants you to come to the dark side. Will you do it?
What is the dark side?
They value emotions over intellect.
Oh, I don't like that.
Emotions are powerful.
Emotions are powerful, but like, yeah, emotions are good. Emotions are good, but don't value it over like factual things.
No?
No,
Do the
No.
facts care about your feelings?
no, they don't. They definitely don't. This is going to be text input for the style here. Take a look at how that looks. Cool. Okay. Now up here, let's go ahead and make another one of these actually.
You saying something sounds like an industrial incinerator? What is liability talking about?
I'm not sure what anyone's on about.
Okay. Did the pirates become extinct, or did they just get rich so that now they stop traveling and live on their islands?
I think they got rich.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like that was their whole plan. I think that's what they
That
did.
is the plan. Do plans always work?
The plan, yeah, they always work.
Oh, well, good.
It is very good.
Trust the plan, people.
Trust the plan. The plan is working.
2 more weeks.
Wait, what? What are you talking about?
Just wait 2 more weeks. Trust the plan.
What's 2 more weeks?
That's when it all comes together.
That's when what all comes together.
The plan.
What's the plan?
Do you trust it?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, I do. But what is it again?
I don't know. I captured a bunch of pirates and forced them to play sea shanty to gender-confused pigeons. Good for you, Legendary Raw.
Jeez.
Space Invader says that I have spicy thoughts.
Yes, I want to hear the spicy thoughts.
No, I have spicy thoughts.
Oh, Mason has spicy thoughts. Yes, he absolutely does.
Oh, what is Phoenix 1?
I don't know.
Okay.
So we want the text input to only be numeric. React Native text input only numeric. Apparently I've actually done this before. Keyboard type numeric. That's what it is. And we won't see that effect on the computer because obviously it's not going to change my physical keyboard. But on the app, that means when they click on it, they'll be in numeric keyboard mode. And that'll be nice. Yeah. Where was I? Okay. Keyboard type is equal to numeric. Wonderful. Okay, so now we have a numeric keyboard.
120 likes.
Nice. That's more than before.
Mhm.
That's great.
That means you've had at least 120 unique viewers.
That is true. And you have to count the dislikes as well.
122
They're unique viewers too. They're unique viewers.
Despite your peak of what, like 45?
Despite my peak of 45. People have been floating in and out. But there are some constants. There are some constants. Mark L is a constant.
Mark has
Space Invader has been a recent constant. It has
IT.
been... IT has been a huge constant.
Mhm.
Doing great.
Matt.
Matt. Of course. Yeah, Matt's been pretty constant. I feel bad name dropping some people because like I'm always gonna miss someone.
Yeah.
And then if I missed you, I'm very sorry.
Is the Fugetes still here?
Oh yeah, the Fugete. I don't know. Might be. Hmm.
Hello, Haxon Dog. And thank you, Plato Puther, for the 120th like. We just made it to 124.
124 likes. Next stop, the moon. I don't know.
Whoever gives us
I'm tired, man.
our 150,000
I'm
likes
tired.
on this stream, it's a free Xbox.
What? That is not true. Wait, you said 157,000?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, sure, that can be true. Alrighty. I vote only like 21 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, and we'll work on this app later, and I'll finish it and I'll publish it to you guys, and you guys can be happy. It'll have the sea shanty music, okay?
Are we gonna stream it next time?
No, I'll just finish it. I'm so slow when it's on stream and when I'm half asleep. Yeah.
You want me
Yeah.
to swing by like a Starbucks or Dutch Bros for you?
No.
Oh no, I got like a 12-pack of Diet Coke up in the fridge.
Yes, you do. But I listen. I gotta wake up at 7 a.m.
Oh yeah, you have work in the morning.
I have work in the morning. Yeah. Yeah. That's okay. That will still be like 5 hours of sleep. It's pretty
So
decent.
that's not much different than you usually get.
That's not much different than usual. Usual is actually like 6 hours though.
Oh really?
Yeah,
I thought you said you stay up to like 4 a.m. playing video games.
when I do that, then it's less than usual. But I try to get to it at 1 a.m. Because that's when work is done. Yeah. All right. Let's just chill and talk about things until it's done. Can we have quiet time for the shanty? Quiet time for the shanty. What does that mean? Oh! Quiet time on the task. Yeah, the task app can have a quiet time. Sure. And it will have. Why haven't I just imported the shanty music in already? I feel like I have to do that before I leave.
Have you ever thought about 3D printing?
Yeah, I have 3D printers. Hey, do you guys want like a beautiful, amazing shanty music in the app? If you want that, then drop the shanty music in the chat box, and I'll download it and I'll throw it in the app right now.
Do you still play piano?
I do still play piano.
Can we see you play piano?
Sadly not, because then I'd wake up the other roommate that's living upstairs.
Oh, I've been
So.
yelling all night. Sorry.
We're all the way downstairs. Like he's
Oh, yeah, that's
2
probably-
floors above us, and he sleeps with earphones in.
Earphones in.
Yeah. Yeah. Piano's pretty fun though. I highly recommend it. It's very good.
Recommend what?
Piano.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's some good stuff.
Mark says that you can't post links in the Discord.
Yeah, I know you can't post links in the Discord. That's too bad.
Can you DM links?
I don't think this has a DM. In fact, I don't know what any of these buttons are, if I'm being honest.
In Discord, you can't DM?
Oh, I don't have Discord.
You don't have Discord?
Not for the Keystone
Oh,
thing. I would need to sign into it.
okay.
It's- yeah. Oh, he did post on Discord. Alright.
You gotta
I'm
get
gonna
on
log into Discord, but first I got to build the media library really quickly. Which I'm
Friend
just
for
gonna...
friend?
What?
Are you gonna friend everyone back?
I'll friend everyone back on Discord, okay? Friend for friend. Friend for friend.
Okay, you gotta give them a keyword so they.
Okay, the magic word... The magic keyword is, Shanty. The magic keyword is Shanty. If you message me Shanty on Discord, or on Twitter, or on anything, I will friend you back. Friend for friend. Friend for friend. That's... yeah. That's what we need. That's what we need. Then we can have lots of friends. Lots of friends. Anyways, let me get the media library up, and then we will throw in the shanty music. And then I'll build the rest of this just tomorrow sometime, because it's actually going to be pretty fast. This is supposed to be a very simple app. I've just been losing track of what I've been doing very, very, very frequently.
Wait, so
Making a lot of silly mistakes.
All you've got is a text box?
Maybe. Yes, that is absolutely correct. All I have is a text box. This was supposed to be an educational live stream. It did not go that way, and that's okay.
Sorry I took you to a spicy place.
No, spicy places are good. Like discourse has to happen somewhere. Let me log into Discord.
Space Invader wants to know what the name of the Discord is.
Oh, I don't really know.
I don't know either.
Shoot.
I just know it exists.
Maybe I don't even know how to get onto the Discord. Let me see what I can do. I think I definitely need to log out.
Oh, freaking Wojcicki. What is she doing to us?
What are you talking about?
Wojcicki.
Who's Wojcicki?
Sue.
Who's Sue Wojcicki? Oh, you're talking about YouTube?
Yep.
I don't know. She's really messing things up when I want to... How do you log out of Discord? I need to log out to log into my other account. Shoot.
Legendary Raw, it's pretty important that we don't tolerate those who are intolerant. Otherwise, we won't have any tolerance left.
That's fair. That's fair. There's a great balance. Keystone Sounds. All right. I'm gonna try to get into the Discord. In just
Mine
one
was
second.
talking about pizza.
I'm grabbing the media library that I made a while ago.
Nate, do you know what my thoughts on pizza are?
What are your thoughts? Like pizza?
Like pizza.
Ooh,
It's
I don't
spicy
like
stuff.
pizza. Pizza's pretty gross.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't like it. Don't like it.
Thank you, Mark.
What's going on? Okay, I'm
Thank you,
copying.
Space Invader.
I'm putting in my this is gonna go in just media. This is just going to my media. Paste. This is a media library I made a while ago. Is there anything important? React from React. I need Expo AV. Ooh, cache. Why do we need cache? I don't really need cache because we're not going to be muting anything. That's okay. Use media. This uses cache. Why does it use cache? Get is muted. That won't be necessary. We're just going to return false because the shanty will never stop.
You just failed to load.
What are you talking about?
The Discord.
Oh, you got on the Discord? Anywhere that has the word cash needs to be dealt with. Wow, that's nice.
Oh, you know, maybe I need to get approved in order to join.
Oh, really? Oh, you're right, you do have to. I better
How do you
go.
get approved?
What?
How do you get approved?
There are moderators. I'm laughing at all the comments, they're pretty good. Alright, friends. Alright. We have to just get this sea shanty up. Let me check something. Alright, let's see. We have stop music, that obviously won't be necessary. There's no reason for a stop music. We don't need a set volume, we don't need a mute toggle. We only need to play music and initialize. Whoa, where's that voice coming from?
Well, it looks like the Discord server got closed for COVID-19.
That's funny.
Just what I'm reading.
Oh. There's music coming from somewhere on my laptop, though I'm not sure where. Oh, I'm such an idiot. I'm running... No, that's not it.
No, please don't report.
There it is. Got it.
Thank you, Manton, for the likes.
Alright, mute toggle, that's not necessary. Stop music, the music will never need to be stopped. That's not necessary. Get is muted, not necessary. Set volume, not necessary.
We gotta stop at 128. That's power 2.
It's power of 2? Alright, you tell me when it's a power... wait, but we gotta get the shanty music up, so nobody hit the like button until I get the shanty music up. Or else I will be quite sad. Yeah. Okay, so when we hit play music... Oh, someone hit the like button. Okay, well you gotta...
Ah! Okay, what's the next magic number? 132 is 11 times 12. That's something.
Sure, it can be that. It can be that, because I gotta get the shanty music up. What is all this? I can't remember. I wrote this a couple months ago.
Oh, we just got somebody who unliked it.
Yes! Thank you. I appreciate you, Brent Arelli, for unliking it. Oh, Space Invader, I appreciate you coming by. Thanks for joining the fun. Have a good night. Appreciate ya.
Oh no!
What?
Manthan just unliked it as well.
Yes! Thank you,
We're down to
Manthan.
127.
Let's try to get back to 0.
I don't think that's possible, Dave.
That would be nice. Let's at least try to get back to 100. It's very possible that we can get back to 100. It might be possible.
Wait, there's 28 watching.
Look, 125, 125.
No.
Come on. Let's see how much we can get that like button to drop. Drop that like button. Hit the dislike button. I don't know. Don't hit the dislike button, actually. Just drop the like button. Just remove the likes. Yeah. Thank you very much. It's 122. Alright.
This is scary. This is a worse scandal than the Feinbergs.
All right. I don't need this time of day nonsense. I don't need this parse int. I don't need this try.
Will Mitchell.
We need this. The question of the day is, what is music? Oh, music mapping is up here.
RBN says that if you don't change the music, you're going to get a dislike. Haters gonna hate.
Smack that dislike button. This is the Shanty channel. That's what we do. We listen. It's listen. Do you see this? It has been going for 6 hours and 20 minutes before the stream even went. I was listening to this. Like, I gotta wait till it's over. I have 4 hours left, and at the end of the day, if that's a dislike,
we're up to 33 viewers.
that's how it's gotta go. That's how it's gotta go. That's how it's gotta go. As far as I'm concerned, it's a worthy cause. It's a very worthy cause. Furthermore, we need to get like we need to get.
Oh, you can't say learn to code.
The
That's
word.
discriminatory. That will get you banned from Twitter.
Thank you, Mason. Wait, is it actually?
For a little bit. A bunch of journalists got fired from some paper that was posing, or something like that. And people said, learn to code.
Mark L will pilgrimage with me. Who will pilgrimage with me? Legendary Raw, perhaps? I hope so. Because he is Legendary Raw. Mitchell Broderick, perhaps? Maybe.
Raw is
Liability 19?
64-bit Tesseract brought
Probably.
to Sol Gallus from Asgard.
Responsible Forest? Definitely.
As a Visigoth.
They're all gonna join the pilgrimage. It? Certainly.
Send the back-end array into the Mondo database. It will connect the interface by
Manthin-
disconnecting its PHP.
Manthin Patil. 100%. He's on the ship. He's on the ship.
Am I on the ship?
He's on. You're not on the ship yet. Sorry. You're gonna have to
Okay.
get in line. Okay. SSA? Probably on the ship. Everyone's on the ship. Everyone's on the ship. Ethan F? Ethan F is not on the ship. He says nah. Ethan F isn't on the ship. Why isn't he on the ship? I don't know. Why isn't he on the ship? Nobody really knows. Anyways, we need to get some sea shanty music. Public domain sea shanties.
Are you gonna make people get the jab before they get in the ship?
The what?
The jab.
Nobody needs to get the jab to get on this ship. Okay.
You're gonna get a COVID outbreak.
COVID outbreak is not on this ship because we have lemons. Okay. You know what lemons? Do you know what lemons do?
Lemon and salt.
Lemons and salt, man. Lemons and salt. Lemons and salt. Alright, I really want this one that we're listening to right now, but I don't think that they would appreciate it. I don't think so. I think it might be copyrighted.
Because you're playing it during your entire stream.
Like, yeah. Worst case scenario, it just gets taken down. That'd be quite sad. That'd be quite sad. Okay, we need public domain. You know what? I'm sorry, everyone. Thank you, Ethan. Ethan says, wait, sea shanty? He retracts his rejection. He retracts it. Welcome, Ethan. Welcome to the ship. Welcome to the ship. We've been waiting for you, and we're very glad that you came. Without you, there would be no us.
If he says he's a Mason, he's a Visigoth, or a liar, or both. I thought that the Masons were Jewish.
Compress it enough to the point where no algorithm can recognize it. You know what? That's a great idea. What is even the name of this thing? This is like, I
Sea
think,
Shanty 2?
Sea Shanty 2. Oh, is this like a regular song? Yeah, I thought this was RuneScape. Alright. We take it. You know what, everyone? Just for the special occasion, as we're downloading the shanty and we're bass boosting it, okay? This shanty song, guess what? It's going to the next level. No, that's too much. We're going 1.2. Alright? We're going 1.2. You better believe it. You better believe it. In the meanwhile, we're doing a little grab, we're doing a little copy, and we're doing a little paste. Okay? This is called MP3 download from YouTube. Alright?
Nick, do you really want to be showing this on stream?
This is called... What do you mean? This is just MP3 download from YouTube.
Oh, totally legal, totally legit.
Is that something you're not supposed to do?
I don't think so.
Well, then why do they have a website for it? It's not my problem. They have a website for it.
You know what's funny is when you're pirating pirate music.
It's not my fault, okay? It's not my fault. Okay. Bass boost online
Oh, you're back to
MP3.
128.
Why are we back to 120? This is not correct. This is not correct.
No, it's the power of 2, you love it.
That's oh. All right. All right. All right. Bass booster, everyone. Bass booster. Select an audio file. Yes, I will browse the computer. Okay. Welcome everyone to my internal computer file system. There you go. What am I even looking for? It doesn't exist. It's not here. Oh well.
You should tell everybody to go to couponchase.com and sign up for a business account.
Please. No. That's a bad idea. That's a very bad idea. Show in Finder, please. Oh, brought it up over here. It's in downloads. It does exist. This is supposed to accept MP3, but it would appear it's not happy with my MP3. I guess I tried. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters. It sounds to me like we are going to take a new approach. Oh, weird. Do I need to accept cookies or something? Well, it looks like that entire web page is just frozen. Hey Mason, is the stream frozen? Or is it just my web page?
I'm still moving.
Alright, then it's just this entire Chrome portion is just frozen now. That's okay. Screens. What we're trying to do is something very important here, and that is called... What are you laughing at?
I showed you my file system. Please respond.
What are you talking about? Legendary Raw is feeling much more productive at the 1.25. He says 2 times speed, but it's really at 1.25. He's feeling much more productive.
What is quarter speed feel like? Or, sorry, 3/4 speed feel like?
3/4 speed, I don't even want to play because it'll drain the productivity. Okay.
We've had so much high productivity here that maybe it's okay to have a couple seconds of that.
What we need on the productivity app is a little slider on the bottom that allows you to adjust how fast it is in order to increase productivity during crunch times. In fact, I can even probably have it auto-adjust the speed based on how, like, say you put a task and you only put like 5 minutes for it. You gotta be cranking.
Oh yeah.
You gotta be cranking. That song has gotta fill it up, and it's gotta be very, very, very fast. It's gotta be insanely fast.
And you should use the Bluetooth PPPoE address to index the application.
What is this? What does it mean? What does it mean? Why does it mean? Hey, everyone, do you know what's a great...
Your hash algorithm is misinformation and a misconception.
What?
There is no secure hash algorithm.
There is no.
You've been tricked.
I've been
Triple
tricked.
zero.
I've been tricked. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. That's how it goes, everyone. That's how it goes. What was I doing? Oh yeah.
That's how-
MP3 to WAV. We'll put this on top of the other terminals because honestly, like, that's fine. MP3 to WAV. Add files. Where's the sea shanty? Where'd it go? It's right here. There it is. Very strange. Very strange. I think it's converting.
WAV?
WAV.
WAV.
WAV. Spells WAV. WAV. That's what it spells. And that's how it goes. Alright, this is highly important because that's very highly important. You may notice.
Downloads it's on the desktop.
What?
I don't know. I'm just reading chat. Downloads and desktop.
Now it's on the desktop. I moved it on the desktop, just barely. I dragged and dropped it. Because it wasn't showing up in downloads.
Oldest trick in the book.
The oldest trick. Project app. Project app. Let's bring this in here.
Apparently Audacity can do MP3 to WAV.
I don't want. Yes. I guess I was wrong. You're probably right. You're definitely right. Assets.
Rocking Science says you should call it WAVE.
I believe you mean WAV.
I think it's WAV.
It's probably. You're right. I agree with the WAV. I agree with the WAV.
If we copy the program, we can get to the DHCP sensor through the backup ASCII firewall.
What is going on? Why? Why? Woov. Ethan F says it's woov. Woov. Frankly, I agree. Frankly, I agree. Anyways, friends. We are looking for a very special something.
Which number Reich is your favorite, Nate?
I don't want to answer this question.
I think the first Reich is kind of dope.
I don't know.
Pretty sure that one's the Holy Roman Empire? If I'm wrong, if that's actually a Nazi thing, then don't cancel me. I'm pretty sure the first Reich is HRE, and that stuff was dope.
Whoa,
They had, like, fancy crowns.
GIF is definitely GIF. It is not GIF, and WAV is WAV. That's how it goes. I'm literally WAV is WAV. It can be WAV. I'm pronouncing it as it's spelled. GIF is GIF. WAV is WAV. MP3 is MP3. 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 I would like to give the background guy. I would like to give Mason a mic. We'll have to do that in future live streams because he's just kind of talking from across the room. We tried to do like
We're
a
using a native Mac laptop mic.
We're using a native Mac laptop mic, so that's why it's probably fairly bad. I don't know what it sounds like actually. Maybe it's good, maybe it's bad. It's kind of hard to say. What?
I'm sorry.
I know, I'm just trying to think about what I'm even doing right now. And why I'm not asleep.
I don't know.
Lavatory is to lava as lavish, so WAV format is to lavish format.
Lavish?
Lavish files. Lavish, not lavish, lavish.
WAV.
WAV, lav. Alright. Hey, it is back. Oh wait, it's been back for a little bit. Oh no, it says I'm back, baby. Look, he's here. He's here.
Who's back?
The main man, it.
Well, welcome back, IT.
Rocking Science says, why aren't you asleep? And that's because I was doing something very important. And that is just allowing the music to play on here, which we are about to make it play.
How do you feel, Fauci?
I don't want to answer questions because they seem political. Otherwise,
Fauci lied to us. He told us that masks don't work. But then he said, actually, boys, masks do work, and I lied to you to protect our medical infrastructure.
that's true. That did happen. You're absolutely correct.
Can we trust anything else he says?
I don't know. Hey, I am going to sleep in 7 minutes. We'll have the shanty song playing by then, and then we'll finish the, and then I'll finish the app and submit it for review tomorrow. And then Apple will accept it, obviously, because why wouldn't they? Why wouldn't they? And then everyone can download the greatest productivity app that ever existed. Alright. I need to go ahead and let this play, so I need to import use media onto my day screen, let's say. Yeah, we'll import it onto the day screen. So, import...
Nate, have you gone on Discord yet?
Sorry? The
Did you
Discord?
get on the Discord?
I did not go on the Discord yet. My apologies. I will try to get on there very soon. You're right, sleep is not productive. I'll get on Discord. I'll get there. In the meantime, we need to just all take a moment and admire...
Oh my goodness.
What?
Do you see what just happened?
No? Whoa!
Thank you so much.
Yeah, gosh. Thank you so much, Thank you so much. You don't need to... I really appreciate it. Wow.
I mean, I don't
Thank
know why
you.
I'm thanking you. I don't get a penny for, like...
I guess that means I need to get a pizza. All the pizza places are closed actually right now. But I'll tell you what. Next live stream, we're gonna have pizza. And if you're nearby, you can come have pizza too. We will all share. If they're nearby, but I probably shouldn't publish the address, so DM me on Discord, which I will get on. All right, friends. All right, we just gotta set this. Ooh, I will mail some to DC just for you. Oh, you're in Australia? Dang. Well, if you're ever in the States, let me know. Yeah, really appreciate it.
Wait, Mark is in DC.
Mark is in DC, and it is in Australia.
You know what just happened in DC a few days ago?
No.
A coup. Insurrection.
Thank you, Mason.
Thank you, Kyle.
Wow, thank you, Kyle. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. All of you are quite nice. We just have to get the shanty music up, and then we can all go to sleep. We can all go to sleep once we get that up.
Ooh, you should collab with Code Bullet.
Oh, Code Bullet's pretty cool.
Do you know him or do you just know his channel?
I just know his channel. That's it.
It's a good channel.
It is a good channel.
Funny guy.
Very funny guy. Does a lot of AI stuff, right? Yeah.
He could make your shanty town.
He could make a shantytown generator. We all need to get Code Bullet to make a shantytown generator. Yes. Yes. Yeah, wait, shantytown? That is...
Kyle wants us to have a baked potato live stream instead of a pizza live stream.
We will have both baked potatoes and pizza at the live stream. Sound good? There will be lots of baked potatoes and pizzas.
Oh, does he steal stuff?
Oh, he steals? I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Me neither.
Dang.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
sad.
Carrie KH is good too.
Who?
Carrie KH. Is it this genius Asian kid from Stanford?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen his videos. He is pretty cool. He did some music generating things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He also did What was the? It was a like automatic YouTube editor. I thought that one was cool.
That is really cool. I don't know. When do you guys want to live stream? I'm kind of fine with whenever. That's not necessarily true. I'll make time. Yeah. What's the best time that works for all of you guys normally? Because like, I think it'll be fun. I think it's more fun to do it now than at midday. Because in midday sometimes there's a lot of comments going by and you can't actually really interact with anyone. But this is pretty good flow.
You could turn on slow chat.
Yeah, but then I feel like I can't have a conversation with anyone.
Yeah.
It becomes very artificial. It says when you want pizza. I'll tell you what. Friday night. Perhaps Friday night. I don't know. We'll have to see. Friday night would be pretty fun.
SSL protocol backup. Please.
I don't actually remember what SSL is. What is SSL?
Same time I vote. Wait, is Australia having an election?
Yeah, is Australia having an election?
Oh, Mountain Time.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, Mountain Time. Mountain Time probably like, I don't know, 8, 9, somewhere around there. Oh, roughly from midnight EST until wherever. Okay.
That's 10 o'clock here.
That's 10 o'clock. That's like about when we started at this time.
Yeah, more
Right.
or less.
Yeah, cool. Okay, we'll plan on around the same time then. It's only like 2 a.m. over here, so that's pretty nice. We got the clock app up and running. This is just be clock app shanty music.
Wait, did Shy Sleep come back? Or has he been here the whole time?
I don't know.
Honest nerds.
You're the nerd, Scheist. Okay, you're the one. You're the nerd. Take that. I'm just kidding.
Alright, can we get a dab?
I'm not right now. I gotta actually I really just have to get this media player going. This has taken like 10 minutes from me writing like so far 23 characters. Yeah, I'm importing play music from Use Media. Got it. Okay. Alright, friends. The moment you have all been waiting for. Alright? Alright, we're gonna turn off just momentarily. Don't you worry.
Do you use Python?
I used to. Oh my gosh. The sea shanty literally can't be stopped. Look at this. The browser that it was in, that it's playing the 10 hours of sea shanty, is completely frozen and I can't close anything. The sea shanty cannot be stopped.
Shy wants to know how often you stream. Like once every 3 years?
Yeah. Like once every 3 years, that is true. That's too bad. We'll do it more often though. Yeah. Yeah, this is too bad. The stream will end in 7 minutes. 7 minutes ago. Oh. Dang, you're right. Okay, it'll be by 2 a.m. because I... Mark L says this is a sign from, you can read. You can read. Yeah, honestly, like, it literally froze over. I can't even pause to... We can still see if it's going to play on here.
Ethan blames it on your Mac.
I need Expo AV. I need Expo AV. Hey guys, we need Expo AV. That's what we need. Okay? Expo. Install. Expo AV. And then once Expo AV is installed, guess what? Guess what? It will play and it will live. Oh my gosh. That is also very, 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 very kind of you, Legendary Raw. That is very, very kind. That is extremely kind. Thank you so much. Wow. All of you guys are so nice. I can't even believe it. I can't even believe it. Yes. Thank you so much. We will be back Friday. That'd be very fun. That'd be very fun. And this will be done by then. Yeah. Alright. Everyone's got to listen to this, because this is...
Shoot. Media.play music's undefined. Hold up, everyone. Hold up, everyone. Oh, are you both from Legendary and It? Are you both from Australia? Are they both from Australia? It sounds like they are.
I mean, I know IT is.
Yeah.
I don't. I have no idea. Aussie's representing you. Oh yeah, it's $8. So yeah, it must be Australian dollars.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you very much. Let me find... Alright, this is what we're looking for. Okay, we got it. Okay, perfect. So we actually want to import use media from standard location. Okay, so we're importing use media. We want to set it as a const variable. Const player equals use media. I think like that. I'm pretty sure. And now that we have that set, we can go into here and we can do player.playMusic. I'm pretty sure. Let's reload the app. Invalid calls. Body of a function component. I thought we are in a function component. Did I... Oh, you're totally right. It is 100% out of scope. Good catch. Good catch. I did not see that I was in current time. Thank you very much.
You should add a MIDI player to your app.
That'd be pretty nice. Alright,
So,
friends.
what language are you writing in?
React mixed with JavaScript. React Native.
Oh, this isn't coming from me. The people are asking.
No, it's totally fine.
The people want to know.
Undefined is not an object. Evaluating use context.player. Use context.player? Oh, of course. Of course. Because on the main app screen, I need to define the context. Yes, absolutely. So in order to do that, we're going to want to go to app.js. Let's go ahead and write this bit of code here. And now that we have that there, let's go ahead and create a player object. What are you laughing at, Mason?
Apparently, when Trump caught COVID,
Uh-huh.
Kellyanne Conway, who's part of his media team or something like that,
Okay.
would go around coughing in her house in order to make fun of her daughter for being afraid of COVID.
Jeez. Alright, we're almost there. We're almost there, friends. We're so close. We want to import our media context that I dragged and dropped from my old project. Let's go ahead and throw that here. And let's grab the media context.provider and we'll throw it in right here. We don't need the navigation container. We don't need the offline notice. We just need to put this, all of this, inside here.
I think that does it. Cannot find variable use state. Whoops, one moment. Interesting. I don't think it's playing through it yet.
Okay, real quick, back to current classic movies.
Yes.
You know what they're playing before all the Joe movies? Circus Clown.
Why? What does that even mean?
You know who they refer to as being a clown?
Yeah.
The Man in Orange.
Oh, I see. Alright, everyone. I'm pretty sure it should be playing music. However, this thing... My phone is dead. Hey, Mason, do you have your phone? Do you have Expo installed on your phone?
Yeah.
Do you want to scan it to see if we're getting beautiful music?
What do I do again? Just go to the camera app.
Yeah.
I think I still have that one.
Oh, shoot. I can't even get to Expo. 1 second. This will be a second. Where'd my other terminal go?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Could have sworn it was around here.
Alright, everybody go to Coupon Chase. It's on the App Store and on
Don't-
Google
don't.
Play. And give it 5-star reviews.
Oh. That'd be nice. Though I don't know the ethics of that.
You're definitely allowed to ask people to leave 5-star
You
reviews.
definitely are. You definitely are.
You're
But it's
also
not
definitely
like...
allowed to ask people to download your app.
That's true, but it wouldn't be functional to them because it's got the whole like localized businesses have to be on it kind of thing.
They could talk about how much they love the design aesthetic.
That's true. That's true. So as a thing, I still don't know how to close this browser. I'm gonna have to kill it. Sorry, everyone.
Where's the
The
Expo?
sea shanty. It can't be quit. It can't be quit.
Nate, where's Expo?
I tried to quit. It did not respond. Oh. It died.
Does that mean YouTube's gone too?
You know what? I'm not sure. I don't think YouTube's down. That'd be sad if it was.
Did you just put Chrome?
I quit Chrome, but it's not streaming from Chrome.
Or was it streaming from an app?
It's streaming from an app. I think that's still going. I'm gonna have to check. And if it is, maybe it's getting time for yeah, it looks like it's still going. Okay, we're still going. We're still going. Regardless though, I need to start up Expo so that we can get the music playing and then we can all go to sleep. Regardless though, I need to start up Expo so that we can get the... I'm sorry everyone. I'm sorry I killed Sea Shanty. I'm so sorry. We gotta get it back. Sorry everyone. I'm sorry I killed Sea Shanty. We gotta get it back. What's the point of any of this if we don't have it? There was never... It feels so empty in this room without it. It's been a constant for the last 7 hours for me. And now I've grown dependent. That's... I don't even know what I'm looking for anymore. What is this? A console? I thought that was... Also, it's talking to me. I'm hearing echo. I better turn off that echo. Okay. That's much better. That is much better. That's on your loudspeakers too.
Okay, it's past 2 a.m.
It's past 2 a.m. All right, everyone. All right, everyone. We are gonna give it one test run on the land of Expo. Expo start on the land of Expo to see if it is. Yeah, I agree. It needs to be played at 1.5 speed. I 100% agree with you. Let me see if my phone is running. My phone. Here's the thing. My two phones that I have right here, they're dead. So. That's quite nice. That's quite nice. Yeah, it's really good. This is really good stuff. This is fantastic. That is not fantastic. It needs to be fast. Alright, friends. Alright. Let's see. I'm glad everyone should be increasing in productivity as we speak. Let it flow through you, let it increase and drive your productivity up the wall. I personally will be listening to this song for the next 12 hours today. Okay? Like as the next time when I wake up. But it is probably quite close to yes, I agree. The app needs to modulate the speed of it as you're getting more and more productive. That's what needs to happen. What is this? Some weird remix version? I guess there's a weird remix version of it. That's great. Oh, back and forth between 0.5 and 2x. I think that's a great idea. We're throwing that into the app. For now, let's scan this thing, because I don't think the volume even works naturally with this. So, could I borrow your phone for a second to scan this QR code? Thank you very much.
It's not showing.
Oh, 1 second. There you are. See, it's not showing up. Does it have to be on photo instead of video?
Probably.
Alright. Let's open up that app in real developing times and see what's going on. Thank you very much. As you can see, here we have app. There's no sea shanty coming through this app, and that's a huge disappointment. You can enter the tasks, but there's no sea shanty. What are you supposed to do with that? You really can't do. There's the number pad, but that's not a sea shanty. What is this? This is not sea shanty, Mason.
No, I'm just on my own music now.
We gotta go to sea shanty just for one more second. We're almost done with the stream. Yes. The reason why it does not work is because I killed the music. If I hadn't done that, it would probably be working right now. But as we can see, there's no sea shanty here, and thus there is no purpose. That's going to need to be added in, and it will be debugged. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. It's going to be fixed. You know what? It can be fixed now. That's what nows are for. Nows are for fixing. Here's what we're going to do. Alright, everyone. We're going to go into the prototype. We are going to go into the app. We're going to go into the assets. We are going to rename this to be Shanty. Alright? Fair enough. No complaints. We're going to go into here. We're going to go into the media. Maybe even the use media. Probably. We're going to change this to be just Shanty, because I imagine that this is problematic to it. Because, I don't know. I don't know how it can access the spaces very well. It probably has some code in there for it, but just in case. I don't hear it yet. I don't hear it yet. That is quite sad. That is quite sad. I must use the shanty to make the shanty. That is absolutely correct, Kyle. If you want to have the shanty, you need productive to make it run. That's true. These are things that we've always known, but I've never put into practice. And that's a sad reality. That is a sad reality. Why isn't it running Shanty? This should be running Shanty. There it is. There's Shanty. Here's Shanty. There's Shanty. Though, where's the true Shanty at the end of the day? I don't know. I don't know. Is this gonna be it? Is this... Wait a minute. No, that's not it. That's the only time it's referenced. Timing integer 0. That's what it should be. That's exactly what it should be. Music mapping at position 0. Call that intro. Call that loop. Well, everyone. I know, I'm quite sad too. It's very sad. It's very, very sad. It's very, very sad. We have the get current time. We have the player.play music. We even look in the this thing. What's this?
Dude, we're up to 137 likes, dog.
137 likes is pretty good. Well, what's the point of it? Sound is already loading? Where's the sound? It's almost like it's supposed to be playing, but it's not there. I know. We're so close. Where's the Shanty Mason? Why can't I hear it?
I don't know.
Where's it gone? We shake the phone. We reload the app. It's downloading. We got Shanty. Look, shaking it worked. I don't know what... Look, guys. We played some music. There we go. I don't know where that kind of scared me. It's turned off quite loud. Alright, so I guess it just needed a good shake. Well, thank you all for joining in. We'll have to live stream again soon. I really appreciate you all. It's been fun. I need to get to sleep. Some of you guys need to get to your regular day. All you Australians and such. And the other ones of you also need to get to sleep. So, thank you all. I hope you have a good time. I'll see you guys next time.
It's